Wagwan ENT.
Make some nice people for the bad natural vibes. International Sounds Clash Wednesday. 10 minutes, my boss. It start when your first song play.
Natural vibes. I'm finna say natural vibes.
Sick, you know. You know a Blade Schemers representative with natural vibe sound. You know we are not clone because we are blessed youth, you know. I say Boopy. I say Firelex. I say Wicked Man. I say Maroon Town. I say DJ Brain. Let me know. You know we are blessed youth and we believe in our Father God. Don't. Thank you, Jah, that my eyes are open. Pagans try hard, just fi close them. Them want see we mash up and we bones them broken. Broken natural vibes say. Said it's gonna rain outside, it's gonna rain outside. Yeah, Jah said no worry my child, give a blessing in a many disguise. Maroon Tone said it's gonna rain outside, it's gonna rain outside. Yeah, Jah said no worry my child, give a blessing in a many disguise.
Level.
Firelex. Them a go like them a bully round ya. Come and sprinkle them oil and them liquor powder. But we have to make the money for me liquor soldier. Send me daughter go a college up a California.
Yeah. Level. Big up all who forward for the sound dead, you know. My first thing, minute this. Some more just relax like regular. You understand me? Spain got a final and Spain on my side, you know, so a winnings. So Braids, make we kick them like a ball from now, shoot.
Watch a natural vibes, what about this? Latin representing, new system. I'm a fat boy, wicked man, my G. Watch Alvos, I'm a Braids.
Crossroads, man!
You know, can you hear me I say that? Hey. Natural vibes we can't afford for fear. No, too expensive. Son boy bite the door.
Bobby here!
Natural vibes. We are killer son boy in the land. We must be very we determined and we strong. You better listen keenly to every word in the top.
Love!
It's like when we on the
Love! All who remember where them a come from Bossa Blanc in the air. Over your surround your so over your so Bossa Blanc now.
General natural vibes sound star. You remember the time when we are at up the
All who remember where them a come from Bossa Blanc in the air.
Show piece about up on it.
Oh there!
Well, I know, thank your father for shine little light pass. When we are come from, no time it no nice. Natural vibes, no rich another vehicle or drive. But we glad for where we reach in our life. Cause we used to hungry. We never used to have money.
Level!
I used to dumpling and butter.
Bobby here!
Used to suffer so all
I'll tell you something, dog.
we used to hungry.
You see, from people for drop out, people for drop out. You see, second chance. You see, when you get second chance at life, dog. Hey, boy!
Yeah, me still a take taxi. Me no buy a little car yet, no. Me nah make that fresh, me natural vibes, me a carry on, yo.
Hold it!
Me a work hard for the goal, cause me know say success coming for sure.
Oi!
I progress again, yeah. Natural vibes a play. I me see house for sale, and me wish me coulda buy one.
Love it! All who believe in yourself, Bossa Blanc, me hear you. Over yourself. Over yourself. All who believe in yourself, Bossa Blanc, me hear you. Over yourself. All who believe in yourself, Bossa Blanc, me hear you. Bobby here.
You know you think already, you know. Fat boy. Nobody in a real life, you know. Yeah, me I say them a natural vibe sound, you know. Me not too good at the talking thing, you know. Man a fall, gonna rise. A bullet in the eyes. Oh, you for this natural vibe sound, boy. Me and you are never size. I just mortgage and flies. The girl think I make nice. Claim them a bumbo clan killer. Them a informer and spies. They natural vibes. Anywhere we go make a drive.
Listen!
Go ahead and feed the vibe. I be a face shot, natural vibes, give boy. Even though put it in a them side. Rifle and not the lighter. Blood a run like water in the pipe.
Love it!
Smarty face right now.
All who forward business on that do one in the ear, Bobby!
Run it. Yeah. Natural vibes, some boy want pies dream. Oh yeah. Own alien, now we own alien. So no boy can't style with.
Love it!
natural vibe sound.
But tell us something, dog. Being a boy, we not underestimate nobody. All who do so when you go up against strong people, you not underestimate them. And done you done them. And kill them. Put your tone in our ear.
Natural vibe sound.
Bobby, listen.
Oh, them. Lobster pan grill, we a pop belly. Some pretty brown girl with some flat belly.
Level! When it's a natural vibe sound, with the St. James, Maroon Town, Shaw Castle, Mobile, New York, St. Elizabeth. I don't know about big man ball game. It's a big man ball game now, boy.
Natural vibe son, who God bless, no man curse. I may I say your DJ Buppy, DJ Shot, DJ Brain. May I say your pin up. You're wicked man, Alvos, fat boy.
Listen.
See the whole of them a fight. You're natural vibe, I press. You see all them a fight, none of you no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river water. Still a lot for you, so natural vibes a kick like the luck of the big God.
All who know some natural vibes are bad son, must have not kid here. Mommy, I hear ya.
Boy, let us see we blood up, boy. We blood up, boy. Let us see we blood up, boy. We blood up, boy, love. We too bad for boy, can't we up. We not catch no boy, can't. Mongrel and ratty. We sure say I got alone watch them here and flashy. And we not see on our road.
Listen.
Natural vibe, represent to the world. All these girls, all but sell at the world. Hey.
What the girl is there?
More flex included sex. We Friday, do Rex, make y'all press flex Antoinette. Yeah, say them want a next sex. She rate, Rico a bony fight on them want to roll it, man. Them not care what y'all from the area. Y'all from Montego, skin catch a fat boy on the telly. Y'all call the phone, say them want to seek it at my
Let me tell you something, dog.
finger, girl on the roll with me.
Oh, some boy no want no girl. Oh, some boy them nah no girl. The men never love vagina, must have not in here, mommy.
You want a fat one on yourself, here you go. Vibes not. Almost. Answer some of them. Well, out some boy, nah no girl. Must in a man a girl. Well, natural vibes. It's a question. I could have want to them guy there. Oh, them a listen to you and them a know.
Alright, good. Yeah, Alvis said no one said.
Hold it!
Alvis them. A fat
Hold it!
no one said. Some bust all a ball, like rain gunshot a fall. Bust all a jump over wall. Kill them all. Alright. When we tell them it's natural, now go separate the bullets from our guns now.
Yeah.
If you're this natural vibes, your blood will have to run, yeah. If your life a scratch, your punk, your life is done. Rake or kill, pussy, for fun. If you're this, me, well, natural vibe, late with it.
Hey!
Wake up and
Level!
eat some food with it.
Level!
Go and dance with it. If you're this bad man, then you'll be feeling it.
Let me tell you something, dog. Never said DJ Josh. Oh, me now say up your natural voice from one day. I know everything good for eat, good for talk. You know why me not play the sound of Jamaica from one day?
Alvos a fly. Randy a fly. Fat boy fly. Yo.
Listen.
Weak we a fly. Yo. Natural vibes just touch down in the airport. In them tracksuit and them earphones. All of them love me.
Level! Level! I'm mobile with it. Oh, me for the mobile. I'm a down play now. Mobile artist. Sound Simon. Big up yourself. Anywhere me go me talk this. A Sound Simon alone can play them artist board on me. Who me attack?
Pino, whole Jamaica, New York. Even with name one family, know the rambling. I'm a natural vibe sound, the baddest thing. No, who no say, yeah. One thing me I tell some jump and sound. This natural vibe sound and you get gunshot.
Level! Level! Mad Rush! Big up on yourself, you know. Mad Rush, big up on yourself. Code Red, big up on yourself. Me respect you know, car. You know what I general in our business. But it was tonight in the war, I'm here. Let me tell Mad Rush. Let me tell Mad Rush on Code Red this.
Natural Vibes is a big sound, a bad sound, and them run this around. Dead time talk when you see we don't frown.
Money, listen.
Sound, maroon down. Call out the killers and killers, killers and killers and killers. Natural Vibes.
That's good life.
Shut up. How we run the place like police. Yeah, run maroon down like police. Enough of them, you know.
You make them know the Natural Vibes sound. Them can't violate you at the
look at our
DJ, we are the real sound killer, we no care. And if this made the boss like a red stripe there. The real sound killer, we no care. Anything or anything, Natural Vibes are prepared. Town, bang, 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 bang.
Oh, yeah!
Natural Vibes, rise up the blood clash.
107 Natural Vibes first rounds. The war get. No, we love the energy in the people. We like that. We love the energy. Big up all who does a rolling. If you does a rolling, welcome to Jam Killer International Sound Clash Wednesday 2026. And this is the first rounds, people. Saying quick and fast 10 minutes. You see that? It's not boring. We like how it go on. Banks, what the TV name again? Western Vibes TV, people. So go up on Google, go Google it. Go up on YouTube and go find it. You understand? Yeah. Again, we want to pick up the sponsors them at the house. Big up Cedric's Wholesale and Supermarket. They don't know about it, Lane, that people. For y'all and liquor them and all these things. See? Yeah. Remember the venue? It's called Brewery. Rent the venue. You see all packages right here. Okay? Rain or shine. Okay. So, you don't know Code Red up next. So the G are going to line up. That's something there. For the first time for 2026, right now you don't know Code Red that sound. We always represent the Sound Clash Wednesday. And they are here this year, 2026. So right now, people, make some nice Code Red. First rounds, 10 minutes, my boss.
Yeah, man, blessed, you know, Crazy Chris. I want to say respect to each and every one with there, you know. The whole St. James, the whole Mobile. You see me? You know, this is the only Kingston sound where I give Chris a straight. Because guess what? Every other sound from town, them not support. So there I give Chris a straight, you know. But yeah, you see what me I going to do right now? Mobile, this is not nothing to do with the clash right now. We lose an artist. A very integral artist. I want everybody who will lose somebody right now, reminisce right now. You see that artist who I'm going to play right now. I want to just reminisce right now if you lost somebody right now. The artist is named Fantan Moja. Fantan.
Code Red sound, bad sound. What them say DJ Lang, ZJ Rush, ZJ Spectre. Say you do man. DJ Cigar. And we am be a bad people par.
Turn it up.
Long are you? Code Red sound.
Say if you lose somebody right now, you rate the artist shot. Fantan. Come the man.
Diamond put gunshot in a sound boy head. Oh.
Sing.
When Code Red rise them up early in the dance hall.
Code Red.
Sound boy a ball. Chris Diamond a done them all.
Yo again.
When Code Red rise them up early in the dance hall. Some son boy a ball. Code Red.
If you love Clash Wednesday, give me some lighter. Cause it not take
nothing at all to get some sound and put your jump and underground. It don't take nothing at all. We done some sound.
Level.
And put jump and underground.
And me alone there with my dub plate them from Kingston. And me and Father God. And me and my team there. Me and my dub plate them. Play a song. Fantan.
If you're bad mind in the crowd,
Fantan.
on your side.
Level it. Level. All who know nobody can stop here in a life. Level it. Them
try Obia. Them try chat something boy. You tell them this code red.
Their wishing power we took fall. Good job. Gonna rise we higher.
Sing.
Red
Oh.
Their wishing power we took fall. Good job. Gonna make it.
This is the first round, so we just a truckle. The amps not get hot yet. Rise up, Augustown.
Plunge away, kill sound and kill.
Rise up.
Alright.
Every man the street.
I don't feel like
Every man the street.
Burn them nasty.
Turn up your light on here.
Almighty.
Watch out now.
Superstar, the boy can't fight this. Rise up on no gun and from you know you're no batty man. And no man can fuck you. Police. Code red song.
Come on.
Code red and kill them, you know. Kill them dead. Well, idiot sound boy says goodbye and go away. Code red and kill a sound boy.
Just a joke.
Whose fault no one but themselves. Them test code red, them get a judgment. What else beyond the human reason?
Level at the first introduction round. My name is Cigar. I mean the only cigar when a boy can't smoke. Maybe just play the intro in there.
Yo, Chris Diamond, DJ Lang, DJ Russ, Master Lee, Bumbo Clark, man. I want to take some boy. Take the walk and left the walk.
I left the walk.
Them know says gunshot
before the sun. Don't play it till dead. Turn it up.
Yeah. Them man of 45, just them out, them a laba. From sound for dead, them get let, them get kappa. Them mama cry.
Sing the man.
And then we build with split bodies and push it into the sky. Another sound clown die. Gunshot out, I'm a 45. One more select, lose them live.
Level. The introduction on a normal. What am I telling you some name? They're the only cigar when a boy can't smoke. Big up the ladies, them too, you know. Big up all the promoters, them. But you see right now, an introduction. We can just keep it going.
I could step on some sound, boy. You did.
Keep it going. Mikey Spice. Level. This is Mikey Spice. Mikey Spice, talk to the people, them.
In the dancehall, code red sounds playing nice.
Yeah.
No selector is laid back. Why does this sound roll and you act like you know about code red sound? Your sound is about to get dropped.
Mr. Bobby, what God?
That's the big killer sound on the race.
Yeah.
Nowadays, we'll have beating sound. Yeah. Code red is the sound we's here to play. And we used to just
walk
away.
An introduction round, no. Sing.
Cause I am myself.
Anybody, level. Anybody don't like code red sound? You don't know what history. Let me tell you about the history. But if you don't like it, that's okay. Class Wednesdays, what go on?
Run them out.
Class Wednesdays.
Code red. Run them out down. Code red a bona fire pan a weak town.
And a free town could have never let you down.
And though they try to use I and abuse I, leave them with a frown. Code red a bona fire pan a weak town.
Mr. Everybody we're in a Clash Wednesday right now, including Crazy Chris. If you're not bad mind, show me one hand in the air right now. One hand in the air, Clash Wednesday. One hand. One hand in the air. A code red zone.
And them not ready for the one.
Talk to me.
Code red zone.
Dirty man.
Boy, I go get doom. Them niggas jump and I put down in a tomb. So boy shall
let them sing. Take them. Hold on, wait till Shasta come in.
When this dub drop, them can't cool.
Level.
Red, you bump the
Let me tell you something. Anything you are doing alive, not tell nobody. Not tell nobody.
And then I says like a lunchy. Out of the big
Let me show you how code red start. I'm from 2001 with there.
I touched the road and pull up boy a coppers and lead. I want to come inside about the
all over ambition right now. Plus, make some sound now. Turn up the lights on them.
Red, code red, me say you take it over. And you got that time to leave. You're taking over. Righteousness, me and declare you're taking over. You're taking over. Code red sound. And you take it over. And you got nothing to fear. You take it over.
Song after song, we just an intro. Code Red sound there for please, you know. Watch out now.
Yes, Quentin John.
Go on me.
And it's all about the Code Red sound. Chris Diamond, DJ Lank, CJ Bush.
Go on the John this, yeah?
Soundboy tonight. Code Red at the shatter in the dance.
Yeah.
Any sound they want to.
Yeah.
Killing your sound squad with greatest wish, but I gonna make you run.
Class Wednesday with a calm down introduction.
To drop a code down.
Listen, big dub.
Until you lose your life, you can count on me.
Code Red sound of blue.
Luciana.
Okay.
Yeah.
37 chambers of the Bingy Temple. Rasta man sit open, I no time for yard. Swinging on me hammock while a some boy a tremble. Sing the city song to the core.
What are they?
Up in the hills where the rivers run cool. Mullet and Janga swimming down in my pool.
We're not ready for drop the bomb them yet, but you see that bomb, I have to drop that one now. Introduce it, Cross.
Motherfucking niggas know the feeling that's called with passion.
All who come for clash ready.
Well, from your side, Code Red, your bed come round.
What me say?
Wait till we bunk with our bar, we gone.
Turn them on.
Red papa, the gun police.
Turn them on.
Run X amount of people, life a go down. Code Red, say copper, remember, tell no trust, hear this. No mercy, Chris Diamond. I got a big up like CJ Rush and DJ
Cross. Bounty killer.
Code Red kill for no perplex them gun Elsa City. And not nation take the gun. Perplex the flex and make we get flex. The gun pop out all your shot and get catch. Disrespect and make we get down. Gun with no me and Code Red them now sign.
Let me tell you something. Me have ambition. That's why I say Code Red. Some sound they on the sound only for money alone. Them no want them career rise. All who want your career rise, all who have ambition, turn up the lighter. Ready? Lila Ike.
Yes, this a Lila Panama.
All who have ambition, Code Red. Me say put have ambition in there.
Hey, Code Red. Me want you run up in the war and go kick over them turntable. Murder certain jump and yes we willing and we able fi kill cause we are done. As humble as a lamb when no time for murder sound no we no need no helping on. Them a pray for health and strength of life for length and peace of mind. In the war we stepping and we know a murder.
You think I want Lila Ike?
None say all if you
give me another Lila Ike.
Them sound when die. Oh gosh, they Code Red sound. We make some idiot jump and start cry. Lord, step on the journey where Jah put me. Well, if I think my weakness, when Code Red on a play, we kill them like a sickness. Yes, we kill them and we business, so we fling them and we hit list. Make big double circle and they hear you like a frisbee.
We know people from West. And only West alone in our family. We know our family are St. Catherine, no. We know our family are Kingston, no. Who now family of Portmore? No! Introducing Gaza!
We only big cover 14 Paris Park.
Gaza!
No, 7 continents.
How would you artist this? When you
Bust the gun then everywhere them this is in front of the office a bullet a turn them over. Right beside the soldier to your information. Your death country station.
This Code Red son that could have been on your pocket and have a kick all up on your friend and what is on your mother. Yo! I see where you come from.
Some boy fit.
Hey!
Punch it road from in a Netherlands.
Cool!
The deep rubber stink like alligator pan. This keep hot
today we are the weather man.
A boy should have trapped body there with a jam.
I'm up here with that, no, Spectre.
So we circle them.
I'm here with that, no. Correct, I'm up here artist, Riding King.
Yo, Diamond, great man always I go get a fight. Because I been myself and them semi-high guard.
Hey, Paul.
You love Uno, Bobby, I love Uno.
Them are no blood clot, Code Red them bad for a minute. We have them at the can't stop for a minute. Code Red march, head mad for a minute.
I ain't that
now shot boy now them out, them teeth and proud, them bone get white.
This is Agna. Woo! Crazy Chris, pick up yourself, Clash Wednesdays, Code Red.
Boy, the man them thief about 3 quick. Want us have a Code Red? Make some nice Code Red. The first rounds, we like it. People, the clash full of energy. Me not tell no lie. More while a day on the first rounds. Me don't know why the man him feels that you feel bored in the first rounds. Tonight is active. Me like it. You understand? People again, me check out the... Alright, people. Just touch a sample and let me know when everything good. So I can stop the talking, okay? because I shooting the people them say it's not. You understand? So big up all who there again, big up the ladies them, because I tell you from one day, the woman them come out of the clash from one day in a prison. You see me? I swear, last week them could have one dagger segment in the clash. I want a woman there. Anyway, people, for the first time at Sounds Clash Wednesday, we bring to you the sound. Them smell them mad with 2D. You understand? Make some nice mad rush.
Yeah, mad rush. What time is it? Yeah, mad rush. What time is it? Yeah, mad rush.
All right. Crazy Chris, big up, you know. Yeah, I hear you say something earlier, and that's true. The man that deal with the first round, them like say, I no clash. All the people them are going to get in their vibes. You know? First round, I know normal round, you know. You have to go hard. You know? Yeah, I war with that. Big up all of my Mad Rush fans in that place. Natural vibes. But all this nobody yet. Let me take them to the burial ground. Start this up.
Well, this is Mad Rush sound. The champion sound, the people sound. It's a girl, Lady the Flame with the fire, we can't tame, represented to the fullest. You don't know, so we have to big up Father Lennox, Whistler, Deli Badness. Now Mad Rush sound, you don't know, so when it come to good tunes, you know how to choose it, you know. Run this one quick and fast.
Oh, I saw you start first round.
Sound boy, if you ever test Mad Rush sound to the grave, yeah, you will go. You'll be feeling like in our past as our dubplates.
Play a song, man.
Overflow.
Let us hello, play.
Just remember, there is one sound, and all it takes is for you to know.
Never. All who come up and see sound dead. Every light that I hear now, not going like a dead clash.
Yeah. Top of top sound. Mad Rush sound. Yeah, this is Steve Man talking. Mad Rush sound.
Double level. Oi, all big code red, natural. Uno full of tune and come here go like an idiot. First round.
Hey. Some sound one clash, but them not have no choke. Na 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 na.
Oi, tell the boy over there, so.
A word to a song, you will not leave this dance on alive. Mad Rush coming to take away your life.
Yo, hold on.
Somebody on a soul who will be lost.
Boy.
Your life will end in dismay.
You saw first round player? I'm going to tell you something. He's on himself, man. Crazy Chris. You want to youth the way we have to respect. You see, sound clash culture in Jamaica, it's dead out. I be a foreigner there. Yeah? Worldwide. I just yes alone them go on like clash can't keep. I'm glad for this tonight. Because I just sit look a while and I say, no, sir. Not even the worst sound out I get to couldn't start no round, sir. When I hear that, unnatural vibes out of mobile come. And that's code ready for a town come start, so. Now look, kick them in them.
Mad Rush sound. I was the Father Lennox. I was the Jerry Cougar,
kick them in their face.
I was the Whistler, you know. Get some sound in a problem cross. Them don't know them have manners and respect. Mad Rush I kill every sound in a sound clash when them for know that. We don't play a game. But sit down, you. Big up Crazy Chris, real general. Mad Rush sound.
What Crazy Chris?
In town. Yeah man, you hear the sound? That alone, that alone. Sound boy in a trouble.
People first run around where you have to go hard. You can't take clash light.
Sorry for them.
They two sound over here so play like our cartoon them I watch. I'm going to show you something.
Sound boy in a trouble. Watch ya man. Oh Lord, yeah.
Whatever. All of the Mad Rush fans say, we have seen that here, sir. Make so nice in there. Oh, tell them.
Say they don't know what to do. Them sound whiny and they don't know.
Yo, People, let me tell you something, man. 10 minutes, me never to talk out it. All who come up is the sound dead. Put your light on the ear. Put your light on the ear.
Them know we're good. It's all about
all your
Mad
boys.
Rock sound.
All your... No, turn up the song. Money we spend.
Bang.
Turn up the song.
Yes, call it the trophy.
Oh, you see me?
Sound killer.
Level. Cigar. You say you're the only man no boy can smoke.
Kill them already, we going kill them again.
You shouldn't name so. Hey boy, you shouldn't name so. Cigar. If you say you're the only man no boy can smoke, that means if you change your name. I should make you a custom bad one tonight. Hey, play a song now, look.
Mad Rush, you're number one. You're the sound with the plan.
Hey boy, Cigar, all this.
Sound boy, you're joking. Your laptop is smoking.
I know it's a big song in the first round. Let me play some. But that ain't no bad word. You can't trick me. You see the song I'm going to play now? Request it to all of the people who come here from Galchester. Come here to represent my place. And my place and my place. Everybody from Mobile, big up Canterbury, the whole of Flanker, the whole around. So everybody were there. Make us start kill people for now, Lalo. Come.
But I'm no man rush sound.
Right, sir.
Father Lennox there, so it's a chiggy. I'm no waste time in the day.
Real job, big up yourself, my general.
Mad socks, mad something.
We are so assassin up play.
They want you know my say you know.
Oh. Everybody want to hear what the sound then. Light on the ear, no man. Light on the ear.
Hey, mad rush sound. Give them a clip full. Automatic, slap them like a rifle. Mix with dance Latin. Hey, want you know?
Oi!
What's the Father Lennox, a baby? Yeah, you know, talk about killer.
Oh, to them, man. Me say, all who come up and see sound then, light on the ear. Light on the ear.
One ENT.
In the town or the ghetto, some man of him run away. Anytime the man rush and echo, the sound gang you
we are the man. We are the town or the ghetto.
Some man of him run away.
People, you don't know why Code Red and Natural Vibes are played so for early. You know, I'm going to tell you why them are played so for early. And the boy and them brains go. You know why them are played so far early?
I'm the messenger of Kabbalah, so take it away. Oh well, my bros I go kill them. So while life I go again.
You know why the boy are played so?
As soon my pocket is empty, no ducks to buy, Lord. God knows he's hungry. Don't ask me why.
Voila! Some mad rush on display.
Rolling in the love one. A little stumble is crying. Him little jump and gone.
Voila! Some level. Can I play some regular out of the box? Some regular. No, play some regular. Regular! Every good daddy here.
Mad rush, bust the rifle, make the shot, them go sound boy go
shoot, boy, shoot!
Yo, anyway.
Shoot!
Yeah, man, Mad rush sound, that's the answer, champion sound.
Don't take that, Code Red, National Vibes!
Well, all them come out here and say them bad on them wicked, Mad rush, take it out, them are so big gun super.
Alright, on the line up back that car, let's say, you know. Because look how I feel like I got the round there, so. Over there, so. On the door, first row. Not low. Second man. Second man. Me here one spectator. Sorry. Me here one mosquito say, don't call with name. I'm in your Mad Rush, because any sound name. You know why?
A big sound, I play a big tune, man. Say, Mad Rush sound, the biggest and the baddest sound. Say,
we're not afraid of nobody.
Big up yourself.
I'll smile it to Christiana. Manchester.
The whole of Manchester.
Senti.
The whole of Christian. The whole of Manchester. No, sir, represent the big bad son, Mad Rush son. Jonah Richard, sir. Run the chop.
Run the chop, boy.
Shalala. Shalala.
The mosquito we are make noise over here, so listen this.
So not go dead. That eat that selector, they be in it. Stand your point. Them so no upset. Neither them selector, they be in it. Hear this? Mad was so they want fit. Shoot
up, boy. Somebody get them France.
Speed up, son.
We shoot boy can
Level. All over gun finger. Put in higher. See that? Put in higher. What is?
Big gun man rise, wanna make no nice. But this all mad rush to get the shot between the eyes. Life upon the line, the fast just realize them get gunshot to them brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Sunset, you know what?
Shot
it! Use that gun just into your poop and neck. Use that plate that
all those have been kill everything. Lots of higher.
Till the mad rush, them and the sound. Kill that party.
Mad rush. Mr. Father,
Level. Look up, boy, ask you a question.
You ever feel a cup of shot out of 1 cent? You did not say for that.
Wanna say for Man Rush? Alright, watch I know. Turn on the light, please. Because people, well, I don't know, let me tell you now. As me telling the people, I am not the judge. I'm not here to judge and say who played this from, who played that, or who played better than who no are the judge in the crowd. Everybody in the party, in the clash, are responsible for it. You understand? All right. So, member people, you don't have to make no noise from the voting part. Just put one on your ear if you feel like, say, the sound when we call, play the bodies and them take the round. It is that simple. Who first play again, Jeff? Natural Vibes. Okay. So people, by a show of hand, all who say Natural Vibes take the first rounds, put one on their ear. All right, watch out now, people. This is how it works. You see, if the three how we are count, when it's 2 off, we have to count over. So watch out now. Don't take down on the hand. And you see, who in the dark, we now go sit on the hand. It's that simple. All right? Because we not take with nothing from no man, and not even, yeah, trust me. So, by a show of hand, we're going to do it again, quick and fast. All who say Natural Vibes win the rounds here, 1 on 9 here. All right, that sound accurate. So 44 that. Take it down. All right, that a 44. Who second play? Code Red, right? All right, people, by a show of hand, all who say Code Red take the rounds there, put 1 on in a ear. All right, 13 that. All right, by a show of hand, all who say Mad Rush take the round, say put it in the ear. No nice, no nice, no nice, no nice. All right, when you get into the 50s, so it no matter if a 51, 52, 53. See? So, Mad Rush take the first rounds. No, man. Listen me. You see, from once we get in a one number where the next zone will reach. You understand? Okay. All right. So what you go on now? People, the second rounds, the second rounds, pick up yourself, my father. The second rounds now, people, a ball game now. Because the rounds are not 10 minutes again, you know. You understand? So we want to see who have stamina, and who have song, and who can deliver. So people, the first 20 minutes of this rounds, people, natural vibes are started, you know. So make some noise in natural vibes.
But tell you something now. Hold on now. Big man ball game now, you know. All who forward for some Mad Rush and Code Red did put you on in a ear, so. Everybody put on in a ear. Over here, so. Up there, so. Round there, so. All who forward for some son dead. Big man ball game, boy. Listen song now.
Let me not tell them on a natural vibes, you know. None of mercy. On a dreamy name.
Bobby!
Jump and son William. None of mercy. Let me tell them. You're wrong for gun, trouble champion. Natural vibes are go kill you. One you clown. You're wrong for gun, trouble number one.
Bobby!
Natural vibes are go kill you.
Level! Code Red a big sound. Mad Rush a big sound. But big sound different from bad sound. All who know say natural vibes are bad sound, but some blanket of the ear. No. No!
Some of them straight up. Hey. And a Ricky Rudy.
Over here, sir. Up there, sir. Round there, sir.
Hear me now. Hear me now. Hear me now. Hear me now. If you're not like natural vibes, chuck up on a peg. And if you up to dirty nigga, them that want to see we did. Like bling dog.
Level! Natural vibes are bad man sound. So when you see bad man sound, lick a boy, don't size up.
Boy, me don't tell me now. Yo, Corporal, murder the boy, them a slam them gal. Come.
One
Sound like a day.
Why?
12 months with my big sound killer. Who that me here a live in a man shedder. Rico tell me if it done that sound boy.
Level! You see the mob here tonight? You see the mob here tonight?
Natural vibes and murder. Dancehall murder.
Why? What?
A murder. Got natural vibes in the area. Whoa, whoa. A murder.
Level! How would them arthritis? How would them arthritis?
Murder them. Yes, tonight him a murder them.
Bobby!
All the while jump and come in at the dance and go on like them big and them proud.
Why?
But sound fraud, I want you to know natural vibes are the kill line at the dance. And him a murder them just because them run up them out.
Level! All who forward business on that, we have something here. All who forward business on that, we have.
Say y'all who love natural vibes, I say make me so no one. Badang bang bang. All who not like inform, I wanna make me so no one.
Yeah!
Hear me? Because killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Me tell about murder style. Boy, you dead, you want go dead. Natural vibes and buzz copper and lead. Jump and then a dead, you want go dead.
Level! What do you know about killer sound? What do you know about Batman sound? You know, I tell them about killer sound cooling. When we tell them about Batman sound, maroon tone, listen.
Kid man, give me some brain. You know man, a fucking thing going on, man. Yeah, Batman sound in the man. You understand? Some say natural vibes. Watch it. Clad, natural vibes. Them say if you turn it up, you turn it to one a chugging. Only enough we gal them no for that a bad at them.
Circus master member, we no got a lot of friends. Some boys say them a shot at them, why you know about natural vibes? Alright then, why you know about puppy thing? Hear me no wicked man. Hear me no
level! Level, Mario! Level! Me hear them run come play cartel from early. Me hear them come play bounty from early. But me not ready for no cartel yet. Me not ready for playing a bounty yet. Who don't know about killer? How are them there? Who don't know about killer? Why?
From them this the glacial. I wicked man, we pop them down from closet. So you
look at the dog here, but
your place, you know but around to win on the clip. Every couple going share 6 months and 6 funeral live on
Level! Oh, what am I wrong with? Level more than that. Code ready. A girl alone deal with the ready now. Code red. A woman alone deal with red. The man them boy not deal with no red bossa blanc. Level. Mad rush. You see Rasta over Mad rush. I only Rasta me see a pork stall. Me hear them a play a bounty killer. You know you're a bad son play a bounty killer. No why you killer here.
Motherfucking niggas in Halifax shower. Rika, Corporal, it's all
Bobby!
Sound you dead this time. Me up on your left seat I'm blind. Or dead seat. Me so like a lime. Natural vibes that I speak them mind. A boy see me so
Level! Level! Level more than that. They must say DJ Juice. And where natural vibes forward from? You want to know where natural vibes forward from? Moby, listen.
Who them from Shark Castle, you don't know. Are the outlaw they on it? I wanna play with things.
Moby, I'm in place. All who come from Moby are 2 in a year.
Alright, now sound can test natural vibes bout. You beat them from here, so go straight to Balaclava. Waste of time fi go play with some old pan. Kill them off and dash them in the ocean. Here one bag of yapping, one bag of chatting. When natural vibes are play, watch the people them rocking. Beat them up, bad over, hell ever whopping. Bad out the
Level!
Just no stopping. Natural vibes are run things. Nobody can stop him. Watch out the
Let me go how much Moby artists. And one artist me there. It dog the jail again. And me have to play the bass song in the war. Because you see La Bass. All who read La Bass must have blank in a year Moby a boy. Hear ya.
6. I'm here to say a natural vibe song. You're a wicked man.
Yeah!
Tell them a 666 when Pino roll out 6 black 6 shot fly 2 6 Still a girl day 6 man a carry box 6 AK feds well this chuck Block pump block 6 never mismatch T65
We
never put block in the face man my shot can never fix fuck
Rich badness Ben spark up and lastic pan Kyle Bust them busted go and go run them file Be a sound them kill One them a juvenile and surprise on the ground A buppy badness what them a say I him kill the most sound boy what them a say Chain it a chip bad clocks on them foot Them no listen boy way a chat what them a say A brain badness what them a say
Need a mad rush Now code red No bad luck coming Hey boy Size up time!
Fingerprint man a left in a room.
Bobby!
You see Bucky? We not laugh with them a bump up la. No son can't make me go down in a hole. Piece of them sound they a live to get all out. Man a left in a room. Sound violate till we gonna pick a room. No son can't make me go down in a grave. Put a liver supposed to bang. The spin number say boy. Fingerprint man a left in a street. Sound a face in moving like them picking up.
Level!
Some jump on. And it's a learn fun.
Level! man them over here so I know see you straight, but some blank men see you now. Over here so all who straight, but some blank in the ear remember see you. Over here so all who straight, but some blank in the ear remember see you. Up here so listen.
Them boy and them dead, them are dead off. You kill them hard. Pussy them are dead like that. So swing them up, hang them up alive. This natural vibes and none of them can survive. Yo, swing them up, hang them up alive. Natural vibes, I kill out the dirty vibes. Yo, swing them up, hang them up alive. When you see the natural vibes, try for your vibe.
All know you're bad people and you're afraid of people. Put the 20 in the ear, Bobby. 20 in the ear.
Choose where the gun there. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. Pin up, tell her jump and tell her. Cause anytime we come around, so fed up. Jump and a gunshot in your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life. Natural vibes a play. Jump and a get the brace in a real life. In a real life. A cap a shot in your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life.
Level. Code Red and Mad Rush. A regular song them a play. Them a sound when the boss artist. You see the artist you may play a mobile. It's a maroon tone artist. That you tell me a Magnum. All who no afraid to shot people 20 in a year.
Yo, crazy. And I'm Magnum.
Hey!
Financial vibes, hear that?
Bobby, listen.
Killing a we and be me say killing a we die. And not kill nobody to blood clot like friends. Me say killing a we and be me say killing a we die. And not kill nobody to blood clot like natural vibe. DJ Nero, hey, pussy them never know the breed. Grimy, killer and my friend them wily.
Level. Let me tell you something, yo. You see no war. You have to prepare for war. If you just run in a war, so you're dead. All who know so when you go to war, you prepare for war. See it, yeah?
Oh, for a pussy can violate natural vibes, so you know for the able to be a bad. Son boy, if you dead, and vibes rise up at 9 o'clock. So son boy, don't fuck with the thing. Natural vibes said well wild and bad. In your face we flip.
Listen.
Shot we kill son, we never tell life on that. Not like people cause we bar.
Level. When you hear bad man so no play a song like a enhance, so no figure respect. You know why you want some bad song? You know why you want next bad song?
Natural vibes son. Natural vibes son.
Over your son! Over your son! Run your son! Mommy here!
If you don't rate natural vibes, you don't rate you. That be killing son, you're not play around. Ready to shoot anybody and I saw them stay bro. Natural vibes son, you're not play around. So you can't
me hear them play some bounty killer early on. You see them bounty killer what them play? Them bounty the weak you. When you say bad man son, don't size up with killer, you idiot. Listen.
Bumpy. Come on, turn up. Rain. Motherfucking nigga, you know to all on.
Over your son. Over your son. Run your son. Over your son.
Natural vibes say Bible. Have you ever heard about the bad man? 12 disciples. Last boy we try confront the rifle. Left out a sea, halatoon and stifle. Hung mossy fool.
Level. Level. Road boy. You see no war. You don't sorry for people. In a war you have to save yourself. All who say save yourself, 20 in a year, Bobby.
Boy, make them marrow fly like a plane. I'm not sure.
Over your soul!
And this is
run your soul! Over your soul!
Natural vibes gun them burst the best. Learn out the mercy, we not get it back yet. You this natural vibes will add it. Tell them say we give our we pity. Destroy your city. Check say a joke, we a make natural vibes now no mercy at all.
Level!
Bitter like all. Make sure say I
Level! All who's a Sparta boss a blank in a ear, me hear you. Over your son. All who's a Sparta, make some noise over your son. Run your son. Over your son. Run your so who's a spot a seat ya?
Some blood class, some boy chop them suck pussy mouth, select a boy. My man slam me in the face with some gunshot, shot out the eyebrow. Kawa, circle them with a target.
Listen!
Make a select a swear, say them a crappies. Not a pint in armies, that a no badness, walla. What you call it?
Bobby, yeah!
Banana clips, no sell a market. Badness, you watch chuck you, better your pocket. See them on the stage, them free to pass it, boy, good as all.
Level! Level! Level more than that. Look how me I go shake up in her now. Look how me I go shake up in her now. All who say natural vibes should be shake up a place, so shake up it. Level DJ. Me here on the run go play cartel and bounty from first rounds. But when you say cartel, little boy, little boy, little boy.
No boy can't be a weird we a clone. No I ever strap if it's even a slug, yeah. You want step on that shot. Who was swimming at the blood? You left my gun, bullet never feel. If I war a war, and if I jail a jail, no one not take no trail. When God said seal, cap a shot, make your skull. You no left my gun, bullet never feel. If I war a war, and if I jail a jail, survive no take trail. When God said seal, cap a shot, make your blood crack like hey. No one we have the very parameter, we sickly.
Level!
Black specifically, broke boy like stickily. Guns that are barrier.
Some of them boy, them a carry feelings. Not even my woman. If you give away, me no vex, you know. If you give away, me no vex. Because more times some things have to expect. Some other boy, true man make more money than who no bad mind. All who no bad mind bust a blank. Level. Let me tell you something, dog. Me is a boy, me don't carry feelings. Any feelings me carry about money. Any boy carry feelings about man who no go dead. The man them you not carry no feelings for no man. Put your phone in a ear, mobile. Oh my house! Listen!
That one your name. Slew them at their feelings them a carry. Them done go worry and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them at their feelings them a carry. Hey, look, you know how them talking is. Wake up, why you with him? Who them a shoulda what that them a try? Them business survive and what you will let them die, yeah.
Level! Level, listen. Listen me now. Listen me. From the warrior start, no for them are centric. Natural vibes not centric. Cause road boy you see no badness. Shot no come out of mouth. All who know say shot no come out of mouth, put your gun on in our ear, mobile. Listen!
My gun that one time with the Noah. I down Jamaica. The warlord, they falling like the
tequila!
Motherfucking niggas got a lot of weapons, huh? How champs we flow that damn word. Natural vibes on top, better you observe. Why? Get your beat like a find the body of because you did dumb, because you shouldn't have.
Level! When you say killer son, Tampa, big up yourself. When you say killer son, when you say bad man son, hey, Quadrant, hey, Mad Rush. They don't know that tonight, you know, liquor boy. Liquor boy!
New York, Brooklyn, Bronx, please.
Everybody!
No other word, me not go no further. Natural vibes say, boy, we get further. Another word, blood run like water. Shut out me business, kill you on me pleasure. In Palma, dicey, wicked man treasure. Found him at 11 and the 8th day, Bama.
Level! Yes, so tonight, a ninja me ninja. Bobby, you say tonight, a ninja me ninja, hear ya.
Natural vibes. Tell them son boy a guy a yard bad man.
Listen.
Kill a sound in the morning, kill a sound in the evening, kill a sound at a supper time.
Anytime!
Kill them when we lonely and we kill them when we win and we kill them when we feel.
Man rush and code red!
A dead blood clot and a dead bumper clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead grass clot. Me tell on the dead blood clot and a dead bumper clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead grass clot. Son, we got suck out your mother, Emma blood clot.
Love
just suck and pet out your pussy clot.
Love Love No police there. Officer, me go wheel off my rifle. Don't lock me up. Let me wheel off. Wheel off. Killing time. Wheel off.
What's this? Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. No, my mistake. Make them feel.
What you know about killer?
I say one for them selector, one for them owner. Lordy. Can't you see natural vibes out is taking over?
Order!
We'll enough some boy one cross we border.
Level! But here the matter about song. Let's go pick up yourself. But here the matter about song. But when you hear about song and killer song, let me play one sugar mine that we go done in here.
When you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it. Eat it, boy. Natural vibes, man. We are the strangers, stay along the sunshine. Natural vibes, them are the strangers, stay along the sunshine. Don't why nobody try to see. Natural vibes, skin. Lead and hold on up the middle of the pack.
You see that the warrior tonight, Bobby? You see that the warrior tonight, they're going to lock off.
Doesn't matter what you play now, song boy, as long as you're not playing right. You will lose tonight. So when you try to come play natural vibes and try to come take our stride, you will lose tonight. Sense doesn't make you to play the champion. And in the end,
Bobby, we go play one. We are the one that want to boss up in you. Who do I hear song? We go play one song. We go boss up in you.
I say it takes more than dubplates to make you attempt. Let me tell you now, you got to understand.
All who say war going on in our ear.
It's not what you play. Lying down, you can play. Back you jump and sound and run away.
Bobby, listen.
Make you jump and fly. Make you jump and fly.
Tonight, a country trophy. All who say trophy, we got country. Put you on in our ear now. Put you on in our ear now.
Natural vibe. Natural vibe, natural vibe. Natural vibe, natural vibes will play every time. Some can wait, they're only watching the stars.
Natural vibe, second rounds. The war get ugly. So them a deal like. People remember check out the deal at the bar. Check out the jam killer them. You understand? The blue buckle cheap and clean. You understand? But people will not waste no time, you know, because that 20 minutes they're hot, you know. So, and I want to big up the ladies in the clash tonight. All my beautiful ladies, big up on yourself. Because from one day the woman them get to love the sounds clash culture and we like it. And big up the foreigner them to foreigners. This is like verses in the States, okay? Sounds clash culture. So, get used to it. Touch a bomb for my boss. Let me know so everything up and running. All right, people.
One ENT.
For the second time, make some noise. A code red.
I was just going a while ago. But I talk the bus load of people, you know. Mad Rush pants. Him go on good a while ago. Him go on good a while ago. Hold on there. Him just play good a while ago. He might play over in time. He played 69 seconds more. The man them want to do 69, but some black me here. Let me tell you this. Me hear my say, period and all them something there. Look like every time when your girl say period, she link you. A bad man sound this, you know. Let me address that. And where you come with? Period. Eh? A bad man sound this. All of the man them was straight right now. I know, say, no boy now, no girl was see them period right now. Bust a blank right now.
I'm Mr. Chris Diamond, big up every time. You done to the song of DJ Length, we see you. I might come from the road, say that.
Level it.
Code red, code red.
Listen, listen. Turn it on. Let me just address it. This up in natural vibes. Let me address when just talk about period.
Code red, I go kick out your teeth. Your period speech now.
Let's go. You don't know.
What are you talking about?
Your masterly blade.
All who see emphasis sound that bust a blank in there. A bad man sound it. Turn it up in here.
Oh, I lift up my hands to the code red.
What?
Cause he make me strong. Code red, you put food on my table.
Yo!
Yes, and in my heart it's a song.
Level!
Code red, we love you.
You know, say me alone forward. But now this, no. Me a bad man son. Turn it up in here.
Code red, please, have no mercy. Send that jump on the sound to the cemetery. Kill them off, kill them off.
Yeah!
Code red sound. Code red as a driver. And we won't stop at all. Around code red, come to Ram Dance Hall. Driver.
Level.
Code red, you won't even.
You talk about dubplates. A 45-year player. Listen, Batman,
number one. Well, beat him and ask a question. Sound boy, hey yo, code red that go murder your bumbo class.
When we hear this.
Code red in your Batman son. And me alone there, people.
Machine. Good red, the champion sound. Oh, right now. Good red, the ruling sound. Oh, right now.
Listen.
Good red, no free, no sound.
Voila. Natural vibes. Leave that TikTok juggling. Don't come a class Wednesday with them TikTok juggling. Listen to it.
Yeah. To the graveyard you go. Hold back to the night.
Okay.
Let me tell you about code red sound.
Don't fuck around if you don't mean it. Don't this code red if you don't.
One shot in our baby. I'm gonna tell them a code red sound, dog.
Listen.
Yo. Any city, any town, code red I go kill them sound. I wanna look and know. Any city,
yo,
any town.
whoa, level it. Level it, level. A cigar me name. Me now fi play on my town. Me go anywhere. Them boy they can't come back down in Kingston and play. Me go anywhere go play. Listen, sir.
Them feel them full of mouth.
We're going to have a shot brain now. Some sound boy body now them hear about them soft out a road. Me like them boy and not study them road code.
Listen.
Because them with gun and not talk
Listen.
road. The first piece pop up them ship up like Oda who says so.
Level.
Both code
Level.
them gun them.
Level. This is a killing level. Shh, calm down. This is a killing machine. The arms no warm yet. When me say me come out here so we kill and me alone there. Me alone, me not for bring nobody and me alone. Listen, King Kong. Listen. Listen.
Code red taking over. Come here the Ram Dance teacher. Whoa, murder again. A sound boy get turned over.
Yo!
Oh,
level.
Trouble again.
Level.
Sound dead in other clash.
Well, level. Shh. Him play a bounty killer, you know. But the bounty killer, no. It look like it not mixed good. It look like him not pay the engineer. Listen, real authentic bounty killer.
Hey yo, DJ Rush, huh? Super hype, you know the type.
Listen, bounty killer. Listen.
Randy Price. Well, know you get your mama ball code red. Name your car loose and give me Peter. Long story.
What am I do?
Bumbo.
We are the ramp with Batman machine.
Red all of us out do. We hear some sound a chat. Have one to fuck one like them a killer. And from we are to final. In a we fill with we spinner.
Last Wednesday with it.
With them pillar. Yo, code red, them a killer. DJ Long, him a
Level. Me tell you say a bad man sound, you know. A bad man sound. Where the bad man them there in a place. Last Wednesday.
Code red. Say everybody's calling your name.
Whoa.
Code red.
The whole of them up on code red there. They know we are the baddest.
But that is just a part of life.
Right now, me I kill everything.
Remember, even though you will feel some pain, son boy, you can't
always
just code red.
Level. I talk about code red. This and that. You know, so I come out as a war machine, killing machine. I don't come out as I come out as a presentable for the people. I don't come out as a joke thing. I spend money per image. I spend my money per me dub them. Drop tune again.
Hey, yeah, you code red the big sound. Remember, yeah, you
Level. This is a Mobile artist. John Gotti. When the real bad man them from Mobile, send you.
Spending, I'm spending money. Yeah, some boy nowadays are talking about my shatter. When me check it out,
when the real bad man them from Mobile, send you.
I'll pay one Mobile 3 times topper. The boy them run in front of we go non never. He's only pardon people.
I'm telling you so that.
Watch out. Level. Natural vibes. Let me tell you something. You think me play 45? We can't play dub plate the whole day. All the real media man and kill people right now. Make we kill people. You see what you're ready?
Some man a bad man, wicked man, attack man for toy. Black in a me and more kill and destroy.
Code red, we put your first and second and third. Watch the message come forth.
Ramp with Batman son. Hey boy.
DJ Rush.
Hey boy.
Black code red song. Yeah, alright. One gunshot mistake fi make some sound wipe off hurt and drop down.
You see that boy the name Jerry Cougar? Oh, me just see you. Girl Chester, you going like you want friend me and kill me. A Batman sound this, yeah? The ramp with code red sound. Play a song. More about time.
Kill them all, man. Kill them all. Come back alone. Code red.
Hey boy, you beat me, beat you.
Batman son.
What the real Batman them there?
How them pussy, man? From a sound boy said that. Make it go so then.
Bouncy killer.
Code red them no care. Copper shot in a me gonna backload them clear. Bust like Batman nuclear.
Level. Mobile. May I call one of them artists here. Because I go on like say code red no support Mobile. A bad man sound this. Me no care what you want to say. Me there for defend it. Me there for defend my title. Right now. Play the song here. Right minister.
Them a tell man for 1 week, but we not tell no man.
Right minister.
Well, cool, we a fling the lock in a boy. You know take we nothing for we can't them.
Right now.
Kill disarm them left.
All who no take time.
Disarm them. Then we chop them down like.
Where the bad people them there?
Sing like
bad people.
Diamond. Who don't the beretta? The night we not go fire. Something better. He dance me feel them so me swim with the paper.
Level.
See them a be.
The answer get warm now. Oh, in a second round. Second round. Bust them in again. TJ.
Hear me na board red. Rifle shot me use and board red. And if humble will violate tongue. And left them on the floor then. You hear me na Chris Diamond. We ready for a bumble hole with nylon. You rush some boy them no bad car. Girl of them face like Peace Island. We bust it hard. Somebody have the gun.
Bust it now.
Bird like a shankan.
I be a bad man come from Mobile. I be a bad man come from Mobile. Family.
We no frightened if we tread. Hey Diamond, go low with the take.
Man, what the kill rush, taking a crash and so no ball you. No bad, like none of them boys.
They're no bad. Code red, they're no bad.
Like way, them boys they're no bad.
Level. The dub plate them on them have. It run out of credit. It run out of style. Them now have no more dub. Turn up this.
Give me no code red.
Yeah man, tear it up.
But man left the road red.
Be alone there.
Well, I said they get it, yeah, boss.
Boy. All who wants to sound dead.
What one
Around them home.
Master Christian. Yeah, I'm black.
All the ganja man there.
Let me tell you about the best and west. Where we spring can it Alright, fresh. Old red say. Boy, you feel it down flat, can't get up back.
Yo!
When them we party, then I take up chat. When boy,
what the bad people them there?
Them black, one out of the car, in your bed back.
Yo!
Hey man, one, but don't feel it flat. 15
When we say Batman thing, a Batman code red sound. A badness we are deal with. Son, I got dead.
Yeah, you hear me? Code red sound, steady with the matic. Anywhere we see the enemy, we clap it.
Oh, yes.
Steady up. Yeah, we bring it anyway. Outside of the bonus cliff. Flat 17 they are with the rubber grip. Code red so never fear nobody. Anyway, some boy them gonna kill them. Amigo.
Pistol tuck in a waist, rifle up off a chest.
All of them boy, yeah,
talk like a cheese a chest. One night this can be the best. Gunshot a bust out a clip. Diamond pop off a.
Boy, them make war every day and drop off a set.
Badness we not deal with. Mad rush a badness we not deal with. That me I deal with.
You know what I do? Awesome boy, talk. You know what I do? One talk till we hear what I know. This code red sound and day.
Yeah, I'm a bit. Hey, Rush, you see all them attack.
Man, I step up.
Guess that them a play, we a flipper. When code red walk, them a step up. Guess that them a play. I coulda be, I coulda dark. Man, I step up. Guess that them a play.
Me say for the come out for see sound dead right now in a class Wednesday. Turn up the lighter.
If you're not showing no progress,
yo!
You go through life without no sex. Difference with some son, that's hopeless. What red so them cut a bag of things and them show. Just so them tongue.
Yeah!
A stone your bread come from. A chill bomb, they want the sound head one. Are you nice life, they want to see you.
Fat boy, are you love talk about period? You? Are you girl that? You see you? Watch how me I go make that dub be a kick in your teeth.
Them
Drop
man
it.
burn out them nastiness.
Nastiness will be a period they talk about kick in her face.
If you murder sound boy, them know say we are the boss for this. I'm gonna say code red sound up with people. Say them can't mix up code red with no period.
You laugh?
I'm not talk about body.
Yeah, you love period. You do a research. Code red a bad man sound. Listen.
They're not bad like we. Alright. Some nasty sound for them, some nasty sound for them. Then this code red, a gunshot in a them head, we get some old sound for them, and some new sound for them. Then this code red, we a gun chop off them head. Code red, tell them sound boy.
Bad rush fans, all who say natural vibes are there. Turn up the lights on them, a bad man thing.
Fire, watch out. Code red, boy you got dead. Never hear when me tell them bumper red. Sound you got dead, friends in a bed. Every vampire get a blood clot big. Them not like we are with them.
Alright, them are
we enemy, we and them no friends.
Let's see be alone forward.
Alright. A code red. Me gun in a me and I know me ways. Code red we run in a your place. Same way and put one in a your face.
Rascal see some pump.
Hold on there. Me don't care how much fans you have in there, so. Natural vibes. Me don't care. Me see all two dogs you bring to. Tie up on the post. Outside beside the bus. Me no care. You see you are you me a work with right now for kill. You see you? Are you me a kill now?
The boy them a try this, so I'm back to what this way. Want to quick little chatty purse.
Are you me a kill right now?
Shut up for this way. Do this matic for make the burn.
Yeah.
One of them try this way. That shit this way. Look like them already.
Hit the best.
No.
Mad rush. Natural vibes there.
Pussy. Step if you a step now.
Step if you a step now.
Bumbo wood. You do them code red sound. I kill people. Yo, code red, yo. Why don't pan boy with your gun? Shoot them and prove say you're bad. Code red sound, yeah, you running here. Watch this. Yo. Jungle Jesus bust.
Level. Big up on yourself, a clash red zone forward. As I said to you now a while ago, me not afraid of nothing, me come out. Me a leader. Me not afraid of none of the sound, me come out here so with them people them. I come for kill sound. I come for kill sound.
Yeah, me a son of man code red. In badness global. That me I tell them to, you know.
Me say me come for kill sound.
Anyone me go draw and then a chatting thing in the door. And when I do, watch it. You know pussy car.
Call with him.
And pull up on 20 matica spark. Empty barrel at Senti a killer car. Don't spend it, flick a car.
Let's get dark, don't butterfly. Yo, Chris Diamond. When them listen and them are dead.
Listen up. Listen authentic dog. Massacre.
Who gas them up, come we gon' bust the cylinder. Bust it in a time and half of the window. When you blind it in a chest, you no ninja. The fucking evil when them down. Go on, code red sound, kill quick. Just left the doctor with head still sick. Bullet in a pussy face, me no blink it. Chris Diamond, ring it. Man a drop in night time. Long gun ready from gas in night time. Ready run, tell us I don't understand them for murder, right? Watch this. What's the name? Start war and the police them want call.
No salva.
You sex out, you know what we ain't man. You know what this? Switch. Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody gonna get it, anybody run. Get a ball out, so we never say that's my son. Madness, them a copy, so we face it down in the room. And Chris Diamond for the men's a book gunshot in it. Them think about them up, pick up them, get them coffee bun. Just open and know which one will have the gun. Rush matter of fact, you even lock your gun, you got your gun. Code red full of money, your shot for done. Pull up on the men's man and drop the rum. We don't give them no belly shot for the damage you long.
Level. War time now. Crazy Chris, lock the gate. War time now. You can't go and say anything you want to say, yeah? None of that can stop me. As a matter of fact, me have something to say. Since you now say me this and me that, play that one here.
Nobody in real life, you hear that? No boy, no program, code red, you hear that?
Sit on the talk.
Hey, Chris Diamond, code red. Call it brave if you don't
sit
call
it. Sit on the talk. Sit on the talk.
Yeah, me target up.
Sit on the talk.
Code red and my car. Shot can you shot. Hear me no man, Chris Diamond. Hey, long time, code red, sound walk on. Note, code red, lucky business without the suit.
Yo! And the biggest clash Wednesday this. So code red have to forward and Moby and support Crazy Chris. All who read Crazy Chris right now, bust a lighter, bust a blank, bust a lighter up on the go. And kill me, come for kill Crazy.
We'll show them how we kill a soundboard. I know the thing going to Chris Diamond, a critical represent. Oh, that I crown with them, take gun, clear them off a dwarf. Code red send for some. Talk them a tank, we kill them for fun.
But say if you come out for the sound then.
Turn up in the door when I prepare for run. Boy sound off the ball, code red them up. My rust splash panta. Boy brain a jump, a code red walk.
Level.
Hold on, me turn it on and the whole
level. Hello? Yeah. Which part? But them not kill nobody. Yeah, them a play a Clash Wednesday. Mad Rush and what the other one name? No Vibes. Yeah. What you know about them? Alright. Let me address it.
Ramp we do.
Listen.
Hey,
listen.
No sound of talk in a code red place. Bust it in a face, boy, go drop on ears.
Let me tell you this.
Stop line, mad.
Let me tell you this natural vibe, mad vibes.
Hong Kong here. Vigal fat pussy stiff burst them love straight. Love talk up them should make it.
What you say about? Watch you now.
No sound
Let me tell you this.
No sound of back.
Watch you.
Diamond with the 6 fans. Boom. Shot boy on the wrist.
Hey boy, you know gunman son, code red son, Chris Diamond, DJ.
I beat you up, yeah?
And now gunman.
You see them 45 the way up?
Go suck your mother with no back friend boy. Well, let them dead boy, code red eyes the taros. Send for the whole of my.
Turn it up. I want to go on here, so. Natural vibes. Them dash some more behind here, so.
Yo, hear me asking a code.
Fix yourself for me.
Boy, them. We make the can sing.
You're talking it too blame. When Godred step in a mobby, a clash Wednesday.
Everybody up.
Give them an update. Hey, give me a boxer, man. I'm badness in this.
Get the place on fire again. Godred fuck it up.
I know you don't play a bad dub. I know you don't play a bad dub.
Different type of killer, we no pretend strike. A different type of pussy from a cocky. Different type of money, you will live them like a different.
You come up here, boss boat gun. Me don't know a mobby a boss now. Plastic or boat gun. A real gun with fire. A real gun with fire.
Yo, Godred, when we lift it up, a circle and sound, everybody flatter. My 90 bucks full of made a copper. Some boy brain fly like a back of stopper. And all them talking no really matter. Dark rain fall, that a change with a Godred no thump in a face. What do them idiot ya? Your sound have be dead, feel we feel better. And we not talk if we not leave Godred Glass Street.
Level. Godred the clash, nice. Clash Wednesday the clash, nice. Me now left you so just so. When me a war to the end. Me better than Chucky. Me better than everybody right now. All the government who are coming badness, me better than them too. So here we go now. You see natural vibes? All the one in their face. All the one in natural vibes.
Like Chinese bars for the clip down. So bit up and make a fire from my Discord red sound. Cause if you know them a big dog, I saw you disappear.
Jerry Cougar, whatever his name, I go forward but just and talk a bag of something. I know your TikTok juggling and a bag of something. I no business with fans and what you bring. I no business who you bring and you forward. I no care what you forward with. A Godred sound a play. I defend this right now.
Yeah, man. Guns.
Yeah, I'm beating them. I'm beating them.
Godred killer sound in other dancer.
We know what do you say for Godred second rounds? Boy, song a fly like a yo. People, you don't like how the clash are going so far? You don't hear the song playback from night? That me a talk about a ball game tonight. 3 bad son I represent on the stage. Jeff, where you turn down? Yo. People, why this thing? But don't worry, people. Next week we fix it. We have about 3 consoles next week. All right, people. So people at the second rounds, I'm going to take up on them time. Just go over the bar, find out where they go on for the jam killer. We have some shots. So ladies, feel free to go and take a shot. It's a tequila, okay? 1 shot to your head, you're dead. A joke. Why you saying? I'm ready now? Touch a sample, my boss.
Yeah, man, Rush.
All right,
what time is it? Yeah, man,
Rush. For the second
what
time, make some noise. Mad, Rush.
Yeah, I can't go get clash. All who say Godred and natural vibes go on good. Give a round of applause. Some big song play look while. No joke about it. How we a real sound, man. Be a big song. You see a part of clash now, it's serious. It's serious. I will call my name earlier. Cigar. Why when you come to Rasta, the first thing everybody mind I got talk about a pork and jerk pork and stew pork. Fuck. Pork. Eh? Listen to me now. I'm going to play one song. I'm going to quiet the dance. Level the dance. Sing. Shh. I'm going to answer cigar and in pork argument. Shh.
Something told me it was over.
I'm not talking on the road.
When I heard M1 sound talking. Something deep down in my soul said Godred's gonna die.
Them one of the sound that did run. Them run, they're not there.
Come walking.
Shh. They're gonna kill Godred.
Hey, it's a girl, Lady the Flame with the fire with can't hear me now. Represented for the people sound, the champion sound.
Cigar, what?
Jerry Kruger.
What?
Sure, use this and kick out Code Red and M1 sound. Teeth. Drop it.
Listen.
Hello. This is Mad Rush song.
Cigar.
Code Red, me dear, run off a run, come test. Make Father Lennox fling your body underground. M1, it's over. Your sound now go past the first round. Cause when the dub them start to hit, your head that spin like a merry-go-round. Hello, Lennox, I go murder you before the war starts.
Come on the hand them, listen.
Mad Rush, no care if you a beg, everything I go dead, him no kin teeth when war start. And just like thunder, roll so the dub them a fling. Father Lennox now war with no funny man around ya. Code Red.
Hold on, listen.
There's a big difference between us. Mad Rush is the champion. Code Red choke up with your jump and song.
Second. Code Red. Hey, Mad Rush in our class, you know. Uno live by natural vibes, dear Jesus Christ. Remember, oi, we in our class on the road, boy. You can't call me name. Say Mad Rush. Oi, uno want me mash up in the second round.
True believer, no man, not a new believer. You know, we now say 40 words, start 39.
All who believe in yourself, light on here.
We never give up, dog, we not stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait one time, kill sound, you fuck, dog.
Shoot!
Yo, Mad Rush.
Shoot!
The jail here go come, dog, a 9.5.
Level. One thing me learn about Clash. One thing me learn about Clash. Never underestimate nobody. Because Code Red have name and Natural Vibes have name. So true they have name, they feel like Mad Rush not have no name. I have a message for you in the night. Message.
Come down. So now go dead in the war. So now go dead. Hey, let me tell them this. Mad Rush tell them before you start war. Think it over.
Boy!
Run come this Mad Rush. You must get to know. Because tonight them come for a long fight. Disrespect Mad Rush. I don't them must know them like. Why? Tell them say, killing mood we now forever. This killing mood we now. Yeah. So now go
Level. Let me play some Mad Rush money. Because everybody come here and play Bounty Killer like a Bounty Killer alone can save Clash. All who have a gun finger and say Code Red for dead and Natural Vibes.
No,
speed up yourself. Speed it up. Speed it up.
Mad Rush sound, some big long gonna run out on them. Absolutely all run out on them. Gangsters, gorillas run out on them. Mad Rush and murder the jump on again. Big long gonna run out on them.
Easy. Natural Vibes. Juice. Beer, you make a talk earlier. I say, when it come to Mobile, you have to tell Code Red and Mad Rush for Mobile. You can't tell me about Mobile. Code Red, you have to tell, because them a town man, then I left town. Unless a foreign never go. I mean, on a visa. But when you go tell country sound about Mobile, you're wrong. Big up all of my flanker friend them. All of my Canterbury friend them. All of my Hills friend them. Dancehall. Who do want me lock up in there?
The body sound. I'm going to say your father, like, skip the rhythm like a ball. Big up the whole Mad Rush sound ring.
Who do want to hear ya?
Mad Rush a Sparta. Rush up on the party like a sponsor.
Yo, Mad Rush.
Boy.
Yo, feel like Koji, Bobby Johnson. Yo, Lina, Mad Rush, body fuck. Dubplate on the task.
Hey, stop it nice, man. When you ease off my hand, them. Ease off, low. That's a one Tommy Lee. We feel like we play one more Tommy Lee. Everybody are coming up here, family. And I say, Moby. I'm Moby, I'm just start, you know. And I didn't know that. Me play a song, Moby artist.
Father, let it. You know, don't play.
What family? Oh, listen.
Fill me up, you must shoot me, no miss. Bumba clad, how do them sound? Them I get powers. Mad rush, I go raise everything like that I love cut. Young girl, you see me the breeder. Hey. Bumba.
No boy can't kill me. No boy. No boy.
As them start to be catch a body. Big Jack
Fanax. Cred. Yo, Whistler.
Oh, hold on. Stop his song. Make sure you play family for now till the morning. Who not come up play family at our bomb? Moby. Big up everybody from Moby, a country. A Manchester, we say. Big up all of St. Elizabeth. They say that's what I'm going to play now. Now when they have a code red. Because we don't argue about period and anything. We don't argue about period. Code red, nobody going on an argument with no man about period. For you done so red, you're dead. And bad man and sex girl when them see there. When we see red light, what we do?
Oi,
stop. Where you had the boy? Play the one there.
Rush.
Play the one there.
I mean, I say Father Lennox.
Play the one there.
How would that? Code red? Yeah, red. Red no sound like a code. Red, when a girl dip on red, what you have to do? Leave her alone. So why you still say code red? And next one, they will name him one. Me know one gun name him one. You love when people press a trigger.
Cigar.
Feel you up.
If you never want your cigar, change your name, and I'll tell you again. Man, shoot you in them out.
Man, rush, I will kill them now.
Man, shoot you in them out.
Oi, code red, a girl catch you up, fuck off your brother. Boy, you are go dead, ya. Him wanna read the...
Oi, load them the argument there. Load them the argument there, man. I want to do, man. Load them the argument there, brother. Calm down on yourself.
Easy.
Calm down on yourself.
Bad, you know. I feel the advice, you know, our next boss represent for MADD sound, you know.
The man that I love Code Red say boo.
Jerry Kruger. Yo, Dylan. Hey, yo, Fire Blacks. Mad. Yo, mad.
Oi, the man that I say Code Red say boo. But don't say it again now. Say it again now. Mix. One. I don't know the boy can't talk in your face. Light that here. Light that here.
Yo, Mad Rush, hit top, you go dark, never lie.
Boy.
Run it to Brian, juvenile, phenomenal.
Run.
Mad Rush sound. Mad Rush sound.
Oi, be a sound DJ I play, yeah.
Mad Rush sound. Bet you turn up in ya. Atta, uno, mad. Kiba, can't stop. Ooh, singer, Mad Rush sound.
Level. We're going to play my first massacre. All who know you're not Croft, put your hand in the ear. If you're not Croft, put your hand in the ear. All who know you're not in the ear.
Yo, Mad Rush.
All in the ear.
No father Lennox.
Hold on.
You can't tell him something.
Let me tell you.
Big lie. Big lie. Chop it in a hockey thing. Put it up and pick up it thing. Walk it in.
The boy can't tell you.
Father Lennox. How we done nothing I like you money like all. We come down and pick up them for the sun in the hardy. You them not pick up. Fin up blood clot body. One of them not call me legend. Now we don't pass party.
Oi. We don't play back. We don't play back. You see the one I know? Come here, son, Dunsman I play. Let me show no put Dunsman for rhythm.
Them never shot stuff. Believe.
Never shot stuff.
Mad Rush sound. Go for the bag, we never fumble. Dark with dark, we no humble. Did I fi kill a fun, nowhere to run to. I'm from Black Island, look where the sun do. I'm from Black Island. Mad Rush, them a play upon the lane too. Put a 3-story house in a jungle.
I know some of it kill them.
Father Lennox. Big bumbo clock, claim in a whiz.
The man that know you're straight, put your hand in here. Me a look. Me a look there. Me a look. Any boy that put up your hand.
Mad Rush sound. Mad Rush sound.
Boy.
Hey, when me tell you about Clarendon, no take no chat, you know say we. Things them long and things will bust now your forehead damn. Hey. Mad Rush sound, don't apologize to no sound boy. This Mad Rush sound and we judgment the boy. Give me the whole of the.
We said the man that I love natural vibes say boo. Oh. You don't know yourself, you know. Because woman call them man boo. No one know the road boy. I used to feel that too. Because me someone call up my name and I never pay them no mind. That's how I am important. Because if you're not important, nobody no member you, nobody not. Allow me to tell, nobody not call up a name. Me I go start the clash, yes so, and I go done it right, yes so. Press play.
Boy there, that is it. Hear me now, Mad Rush, you know the thing going on, man. A sound for dead in a yo. Hear me now, Father Lennox. Hear me now, Jericho guy. Hey, hear me now. Play rhythm, let me need.
What do you listen?
That general, you know, from you spend the money, you know people dead. Rhythm. Boy there, that me say. Boy violate Mad Rush, you know a Glock me say. Yo, watch ya. Yo, Sound Clash Wednesday. We are gonna beat and teach. And me not care if the one code red them reach. But the wild card, me know them there. That mean me I go kick out natural vibes teeth. Yo, natural vibes. You better wanna go and back abroad. Wanna see say wanna sound can bust down a yo. Boy.
Play again. I'm money for that.
Boy there. That is it. Hear me now, Mad Rush.
Wanna listen this song, listen. Me a start it.
Lennox.
Yeah, man.
Hear me now, Jericho guy.
Better they come follow me now.
Really make me deal with them wicked about that general. You know, from you spend the money, you know people dead. Rhythm. Boy there. That me say. Boy violate Mad Rush, you know a Glock me say. Yo, watch ya. Yo, Sound Clash Wednesday. We are gonna beat and teach. And me not care if the one code red them reach. But the wild card, me know them there. That mean me I go kick out natural vibes teeth. Yo, natural vibes. You better wanna go and back abroad. Wanna see say wanna sound can bust down a yard. Or you fi say that you a bad sound. When I pay, wanna pay crazy crispy pick you as wild card. Wanna really know what wild card means? Say your sound dead already. I wanna still a try fi get in. That mean crazy crisp playing part. That means say the rest of money wanna have fame. Game. Yeah, when the cold red run are them reach. Remember Mad Rush, I go kick out them teeth. And if them there, them still I go join. And if them never forward, we I go diss them a town. Or them forgive crazy Chris the date. And when time for reach.
I'm boy Chris Diamond.
But one thing me have to tell the cold red team. Hold on, no. Suck your mama straight. And tell them say no straight. Don't be not.
Oh, calm down, easy. Oh, tap on the nice man. Easy. Shh. Wanna tap on the nice man? Cause they start playing 1-for-1 song already, you know. And third round no coming. But one of the road boy. Me a son ninja man a play now. The ninja now call the sound name. Natural vibes. Natural vibes, be a 45 when I play like clash. And I miss it so. It's not me. You know what here? Ninja man, press play.
Mad Rush specialize in killing, aiming to shoot the target. Boy, check and get him blood clot, casket up, then 6 down 6'6". Pay them in the one. DJ Bar Bad Man. This are the mad Buddha Frost.
Oh boy, let me tell you this.
I said, nothing you could do could make me run away from this class, yeah. This class, yeah, Mad Rush staying them in no jump and for cross the Mad Rush sound border. Border tin pan, I'm telling you from the start. For the length fight the dart, and we lick on the down the ground and then we rip out your wad. Them in no jump and for thirsty Mad Rush sound on, yeah. Pay them in one, pay them in two, a guy murder them in a competition, Mad Rush.
Hold on. Shh. Liver. Dirty juice. Thinking mouth juice. Come, I can't say thinking mouth. That is not a bad word. But come here, baby. Come here. Smell my arm.
Nice, me baby.
Baby, come here. Smell my arm. Me nice. All right. The boy Juice say, Rasta Jericho got frozen. You know hear what he say? He's some frozen. What am I for kill him? Me not kill him, you know. Me go warn him. A big sound that play a big show. Watch it.
Pussy get ready. Tonight, Mad Rush sound you're too deadly. Alright, Johnny. Me. Oh, well, no. Kill him again now. Aye. Mad Rush attack again now. Aye. Murder them. Aye. Hey, some operator boy, them getting confused now. They say,
aye. Oh, no, I be locked down here.
Say me, I say. Fire blocks. Tell the media the sound of Texas. The rolling sound. Hey, Mad Rush. We kill a sound. 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 Mad Rush sound a run the compound. Kill sound a country. We kill them a town. Tell you for big goal, for big goal, for big goal. This put a jump and sound in a the hole. Live a miserable life, put it on them headstone. Nobody no fi cry over them fool sound. Mad Rush sound, no sound not bad like we promoter. Take back your money, we ya kill them. Them dead.
The next man a girl say boo, uno na no money now no pocket. Say boo again if you no feel so no bad. All right, you're broke. No money. Big up Code Red, big up Natural Vibes. But we're going to play our song. You see that song here? Oh, what you say? Me not a song. Hey, boy. You see, if me not a song, boy. You see, if me not a song, me sing that. Me sing it out, make everybody hear. Any old Mad Rush not a song, me sing that. The man never know say you're straight, put your hand in here. May I look by the crowd now. All I man never know you're straight, put your light in here. Every another.
Take represent. Mad Rush sound.
Pipe on Natural Guys, man. See
now. Skibby-dim day, skibby-dim day, skibby-dim day. Mad Rush sound. But him and friend we no gay.
Cristiano, hey yo, DJ Tito Gentleman, hey yo, one time touch it.
Be a bunty, I play for a night.
And touch me.
Who are you, bunty?
Listen, Chris Wall and Batty man no pound them around way. Bouncy with that, so them can get from own way. Batty man start from a state office down way. Mad Rush Eagle and me at them surround way. While I come.
Yeah, me don't talk to them DJ boss and boy, this is the program, me know yo, yeah, me tell you, I want to them butcher.
All who said that's all I said that lighter.
Try disrespect bad man. Oh no, take man, I know the post, so all them not like me. See them all.
Wagwan ENT.
We don't say we're not that easy. We don't say we're not that easy. Eh? All those some of you finish themselves. Finish. Watch this blow though. Watch out.
Well, if it's there the question about this dubplate. DJ Travis, you respond to
but now some saying anybody say boo, you're not straight. You're not straight.
No
you know business right now, no, I say. Mad Rush me say. Mad Rush me say. Run song, boy, I bet they hear all that.
Yes, truly.
Run song. Run.
Oh, yeah. Mad Rush is here.
The boy that they are boo. Me no business.
Hey. Mad Rush killer idiot. Jump and sound in the dark.
You know. Boy.
Oi, boy.
Sound is dying.
Sound boy.
Bout you won't come taste the Mad Rush sound. Say you have some new that. Run come taste the Mad Rush. Then they'll take you.
Oi.
We they can't touch and such. We they can't touch and such.
The boss said one more song me I play now. One more song me I play. I'm going to show you the next round I'm normal. Me now I'm going to study me. I'm Minion Panther tonight. Yeah. All when me now no song I use when me have and do what me have to do. I like me I tell, road boy, if you're a sexy girl and you only can do one round, you're going to try to go a second round. You're going to try the third round. You with dead. Woman just lay down there and take wood. You understand? And we do work. So make them go and talk. Play me song.
Yes, this night I kind of feature. Big bad song called Mad Rush. Big up yourself, Pat.
Play me song.
Man called Belly Bad.
Play me song. Shh. Yes, I sang a play.
Mad Rush.
Son boy, you're this reckless lady, and you're that place that can say the thing. And now you reach it, Mad Rush place. Yeah.
Time. Turn on the light. All right, people. Yo, me not tell no lie. That clash here, me have something to say. That clash are full of vibes. All who enjoy the clash, bust a blank in the ear. 3 sound them here, beat Chris Diamond, big up and beat down. It clash nice, people. Clash no boring. Yo, the amount of song I play, the amount of people I forward, they tell me that me hear say song play back. No song no play back, man. A song they drop like a bomb, man. You know I get confused, man. Them confused, too much song, no song no play back. You see this, no miss. Every song play them right down. All right, people, make a count now. Because these are the second rounds. Remember the next rounds, I go 10 minutes. Oh, you go 15 minutes? Me soon tell you when we reach. When we reach, we tell you. 15. All right, people, make a vote now. Remember the vote, no noise, you don't have to make no noise. And who they put up 2 and we soon and we not count to no. So, anybody that put up the 2 and then we just go skip on the hand. 1 and you need to put up. Don't try confuse the thing. Alright? 1 and if I hear a sound, the sound will bust the place the most forward, the energy. Who first play my boss? All who some natural vibes take the rounds, they put 1 and in a ear. All right, so that's a 43. All right? All right. By a show of hand, who can go? Code red. By a show of hand, all who say code red take the rounds, they put 1 and in a ear. Yeah, 18 me get to. All right, 18 for code red. I want the next song. Mad Rush. All who say Mad Rush take the one they put you under here. Watch this now. Hold on, no, calm down. Calm down on yourself. Calm down on yourself. Watch it now. All right. This man get 52, 49, you get 52. All right, we could do it over. Because since you're not curse about it, yeah, we're going to count. People who can't count to, you know. We don't want to feel like we want who can't count to. You understand? But we control the counting. And no liar count and go on yourself. So we go count again one more time. By a show of hand, all who say Mad Rush take the rounds and 1 and a ear. 50 odd. It is that simple. So the man with the most vote, them win that one there. So Mad Rush, who win the first one? Mad Rush win the first one. So hold on now. Shh. All right, people. Hold on now. Hold on now. This is not what Uno want here at the end them we account. You understand? We know how clash thing go. We don't feel like say Ray. But at end we account, and that is the last vote of it. All right. So what you going to go on now, people? This round, hold on. I wonder if at 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Wait. Okay, I will. Pass the paper to my boss. Big up the whole Clarendon family in the house, you know, the whole Mobile, Kingston, Westmoreland, Trelawney. Make a look for the minute them. Copper Zone, big up yourself. Big up the sponsors them again, you know, people. Big up Jam Killer, you understand? And big up the girls over there. Cedric's Wholesale. Big up Shippy, Bad Shipping Company. Big up yourself. Okay, so the third round is 15 minutes. So watch out now, people. The rounds here, this rounds, somebody is going to drop out. And I don't know who. You understand? But just know that this rounds now, as we're telling already, the sound will win 3 rounds straight, clash done. So make we see how the rounds are going to go. No! I would have started. All right, people, 15 minutes. Natural vibes are start the rounds, the third rounds, 15 minutes. I don't know long talking. Minutes start when the song play.
Look at the card. Watch out. Chris Diamond like Chris Diamond hide, you know. Like Chris Diamond free their war tonight. Like Chris Diamond hide. Listen to me now. Where Brown in there? Brown in. Come here, I'm going to tell you something. Come here now. Forward. Come and see boss. I tell yourself it's smelling arm. You know why you're smelling arm? No, because you don't know food different from shit. That's why you're smelling arm. Love him, Mobile. Mobile, love him, man. Hold on, now, calm down the Mobile. Calm down the man. Hold on the man. Calm down the man. Calm down now. Mobile, calm down now. Hold on the Mobile, man. Calm down, man. Listen to me now. You hear the code red selector, they say, oh, a natural vibe selector, you me want to play with me. You me want to play with. Boy, no man can play with me. All you know is that no boy can't play with you. 2 in a year, Bobby, you see it, yeah?
Gonna be a natural vibes that's flowing through the... Ha! Natural vibes! Me I say what's on the
Bobby!
DJ Boppy. It's a DJ Sean.
Listen!
Jamaica and New York. And this is...
Who do I hear, sir?
Representing for natural vibes, keep it thing alive. Drop it! Original is original. Real thing is real thing. You know what I mean?
Listen!
One to you. She,
oh, look at my war. We have.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Not surprised how you are playing. Every sound wanna play like you. Natural vibes. Wanna figure out how you're done. Stay, yes. I've heard them say,
what are your big soda players? What you want your big son?
And I've got to let them know. Not survive you, I go kill them with selection. You chop a sound by your feet.
Level! Bobby, me and the batter about some. Me and the batter about some. Bobby, who do I hear some?
Oh, Lord,
natural vibes. Oh, we kill sound all the while. Anytime natural vibes play, we kill them all the while.
Level! Them so let your conscience set you free. Jerry Cougar, if you're on a Rasta, you shouldn't mind the pork argument. All who burn fire upon a pork jet, put your gun in the ear, mother, you see it, yeah?
Pin up! One to them. Gunshot for them get. King up! Them can't miss the king up. Well done. Sure.
From you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Everybody knows a natural vibe sound a champion. And no little jump on. Well, this is clear down in a regular. One man was
Level! Over here. You see another warrior tonight. Don't feel a joke thing. All who forward for your big song, I hear them play some butcher. Listen now, big sound play butcher you. Listen.
There shall be no mercy for the merciless. No escaping this judgment.
Run yourself!
Right! Mama, natural minds are murderer. Lord, Papa, natural minds are murderer. Sound for dead, natural vibes in our save no lead.
Level! Over here! All who forward a war bus up long. All who forward bus up long. Over here. From night level. From night. Who no play AI, play a box song. Over here. I'll be a regular song them a play. You want to hear song, boy?
We are to kill them with counteraction. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, yeah!
Natural vibes kill them with counteraction. You are talk about your blum blum, ratatata blam blam. And every night you come and dance and play the same song. Bout your blum blum, ratatata blam blam. And every night you come and dance and play the same song. Natural vibes them gonna kill you.
Level! Over here! You see, tonight in a Soul Clash Wednesday, mommy, a murder. All who come to this sound, that's a murder! Murder!
Shine your light for me, just shine his light out for me. He turns the light down for me. Just shine his light down. Natural vibes.
Why listen?
It's a natural vibes. It's a danger. Hey. Over here. A big it up, big it up.
Over there.
A big it up, big it up.
Over there.
A big it up, big it up. Over there.
Why level.
I love the vibes, love the vibes of your brain. I love the vibes, love the vibes.
Let me tell you something, you. Anytime you see natural vibes forward a war, we're ready for war. All who ready for war must have back in the here, you see tonight.
Yeah. Hey, it's a battlefield. Feel. Hot.
Everybody.
Natural vibes. No. Beware. Natural vibes well strap. X amount of doctor on the place down flat. Beware. Sound boy don't attack a man no fear. No.
Why?
It's a joy to see.
Level.
Some fool come out put themselves with
Level. Chris Diamond, how are you do? You afraid for different quadrant tonight? In Chris Diamond, are you afraid of defending quadrant tonight? You see natural vibes? And this me I tell you tonight, you know about bad man sound you out?
This is another boots up vibes, you know.
Ah, look at my war, we have.
This is the natural vibes.
Ah, look at my war, we have. Bobby here. Level. From night them forward, them live for natural vibes with them, and natural vibes we're not afraid of. Oh, we don't now call no next sound name. Why your natural vibes alone? And we are not afraid of hybrid, sure.
Not natural. What's my last name? Vibes. So
look at my run up and down, you know.
Natural vibes. Rich. Tell some pussy we a bad man, so natural vibes still sound from country to town. So the gun them sound. Who know the natural vibe and the artist on around. Me have a gun killer from a distance. The police steady, me no response. Cause me no bust a big six pants. And a natural vibe of the most hit song. Rich, hey, we real rich.
Level. All who say code red and mad rush shredded, everybody start up. All who say them for them, start up.
Call we brain cockatoo, we bust gun no lead. Flip up so you see if I real. Like a brace pan with jeans. We are no police and we ever have a peace. Tear shed when the SLR we a placement straight. Tear face tear web me MP men CVMC and men clear. Yo natural vibe son. Like the chopper and it go blue flap. Ready natural vibes. You say
level. Code red. We know a big sound, respect. International war sound. Big up on yourself. Respect on the badness, man. Mad Rush. Good sound. When you see natural vibes, when you see natural vibes on you, win a response. Anything or anything. All who know say natural vibes are killer, so 20 in a year.
I got a big man like Reggae man called Pinnock. Motherfucker niggas, you know, hey, yo.
Why?
Our world, we responsive. Looking at the closet, 6 shirts, 6 pants, seat. Natural vibes, them love the money, though. Oh, you see the money thing, they never got the distance in. Man, a hot head, hot foot, hot feet. When we step up, we're standing at the bunk feet.
Level. Jerry Cougar. Away fraud Rasta there. Jerry Cougar went. Hey, fraud Rasta. Hey, fraud Rasta, when you see natural voice, know this.
Beat them like broadboard, some boy soft like cardboard. Loud first. Natural vibes, eh? Them a melt up and a make walk. How kill a 4-4 make your bad man thing. You know what action over motor.
Rise them!
Chica work it. Chica
work
it. Man I find it straight and bust it perfect. Oh Lord of mercy, head we burst it. Chica work it.
Level more than that. Big up every man will get a youth. Respect every man will get a youth. And take care of your youth. Big up every girl in the night clash.
Wagwan ENT.
The girl didn't never die, bust a blam every year. No girl in there. What I know, man? The girl did them in a war, bust a blam every year. Bump on head. All right. The man never breed a girl already. Put your gun on in a ear, mommy.
Watch it. Hey, I'm a feisty. Out of order. I'm out of Gucci, mount of Prada. Me pull up on every girl, mount of water. Sorry that this me just can't mount your daughter. Out of order. I'm not out of drama. I one phone call flat out of corner.
Level. Yo, Cougar. Yes, a code red only play a tone. Them not play a mobile. If I not told them I play a foreign. But even though me never got foreign, big up neutral vibes in New York. Well, one thing me I tell you tonight, just tonight.
Hey, natural vibes. Yeah, hear me too.
Who does it tonight?
Shut and left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run a get it, anybody run. Tell them ball out if remember say yes, Madison. Badness them a copy so we pace it.
All who not afraid of people, go down in the ear.
On the men's up.
Right there.
Them kick them bad, them a kingdom, them give them crack fi bun. Hey, no juvenile can no wish pa me lock me gun. Matter of fact me devil lock me gun.
Who know why you massive again?
Money you shot fi done.
Hey
People
boy.
and them ends and man a drop the rum.
Hey boy.
Natural vibe, me say the Glock shall rise. Hey, I in a head of the right place. Hey boy, in a head of the right place. I in a head of the right place and everybody.
Why when you say bad man son boy, respect.
Hey, natural vibes. Yeah, me talk.
Oh, yeah.
Natural vibes. From me select it up, me be shout off, set it like on Bob, set it fame you die. Live on, live on, live on. Natural vibes. Me want know this larger than life, humongous. Ha. Capture them girl like Columbus. Ha. Turn a bill on your before me turn those guns.
Listen, bad son.
So here them in a deal like a bumbo clad dog. Natural vibes, look shot for them to follow. Them buy up, she lion. And if we run out a shot to banger, we pick up the yall, one our client.
All who say what?
What kill sound boy hard? I make you think we got so hard. Mount a gun that we hard. Natural vibes. We are.
All who not afraid of people, rise your button in the ear, Bobby. All who not afraid of people, rise your button in the ear.
So we roll.
Oh my
Natural vibes
God.
son. Oh we go. We roll out to the cut-off mode. Pump it through the wing if you was far red. Yeah.
Aye.
Second, the cloud live. Everything dead. Them a go pan fridge. Yeah.
Let's go.
The clock is from your body let all of us. It was can't leave, boy. Ballin' and we gonna plead.
We go play one business to kill dollars.
Cloud dead. Not
that busy I kill everything.
Tell about streets anywhere we go.
No one you kill everything.
Natural vibes them serious. No, now we dog them not nervous. No, let me tell you about natural vibes.
Listen.
We go like Eskimo, no boy can't go run we. Hey, natural vibes, tell them.
Cigar name call 100 times. Big up all who know say anywhere you go you can defend yourself. Big up all who know say if a boy this your mother you defend that. This is sound clash. Bad speech, bad argument, and bad rhythm. All who read vibes cartel and can go in a ear.
Chat, them a send what that you a send, not the middle of the day, they go step on them, rain not fall, thing I wet on them. Chat, them a send, we step on them, blade with them, whip on them, them a ball and a call. But when
we bust we gun, we know. Mr. Cartel and him play a move on. That's how it go. Whole heap of song to them, man. Whole heap of song to them, man. Watch a simple forward there. This is a sound clash. The bright light a kind of mash up in vision, but miss something. The man them in the front regular keep you on your side. The man them living in your community and you can only go outside when everybody asleep, keep you on your side. The man them we have respect in your place, put your two hand in your ear. Turn you up.
I said that this time, but we have to laugh when these fools act up.
See, God, tell you.
So when them out the road are going bad, Black Ryan and Sean have them girl in bed cocked up. Right. So they said,
where bad people them?
I want this boy about them a bus gun. Chris Diamond, rise every gun in on your sight. All them boy they a move so. Attack me, see them attack. We use gunshot, bust them for.
Tell them,
Chris, we no afraid of people.
Level. Big up all that girl, let me know when no said no idiot boy can't turn you on. Level low on that. Let me see what I want. All that girl, let me know when you a bad man you want, bust 3 blank in a ear, loud. Bust loud and no man, loud and no. The girl let me know no idiot boy can't sleep with you, bust a blank in a ear. Jerry Kruger, you hear that? Juice, you hear that? Turn up the sound.
Bumbo clad with some sound boy code red. Your code red. Tell some sound boy say, pussy, you're not happy to your name. You have a virgin chica finger. Word. Make bullet fly to you.
Every man when one boy can box you don't go down in a ear.
Tell them, no boy can box up on the jaw. Warm to them boy.
Pull up. Come here, me selector there, you know. Cigar, forward. God, them tell me about the mother thing, me have to come defend it. You see that youth, yeah? Him name DJ Cigar, the only cigar when no boy can smoke. A year clash, and through your jam, me have to come make 2 speeches, but you know it go. Me and one I champion them way. Running for the forward them. Me like me want you defend it. A year alone there, 2 sound them bring crowd.
and you work with them. I see the two crowd them give you forward, that mean you work. You see that around here? Them have to understand so you put in work. That around here, your own. Talk to them.
Yeah, man, me put in the work, people. Over here, sir. All right. Every man you know say you're a bad man. You bust your own gun. And a girl you defend right now. Every man you fuck with man, bust a blank in the ear for that one here. We're ready again, you know. Ready again.
Code red, woke girl.
Code red.
Woke girl. Woke girl. Woke girl.
Yo, chuckle up,
Code red. Fuck girl a bad man pleasure.
Whoa.
Code red, no friend, certain fella. Hey, all who believe in vagina, wave you one like a cat and sing. Fuck y'all a code red place.
You're so far, forward from right now. Class Wendes, big up on yourself. It's a culture. So here we go now. Whether you don't like it or not, a code red, me there for defend it.
Code red, big friend. Chris Time, I look myself in a CJ Ross, Master Lee.
So come here for defend it.
Code red, bum them again, okay. Code red, don't apologize to nobody, boy. This code red,
any sound.
Shut your boy.
Any sound.
Chris and a
I defend me, I defend it. Class Wednesday.
This is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in the rain.
Chuckle.
Never did when the crime did a go on.
Chuckle.
A smart tell him what a boy can chat. A informer to bumbo class. Anyway, the feds park you go talk.
Class Wednesday, we're there. Code red.
Hey, you look to chatty, tell it you're full of Should I name Bruce Lee to the way you are?
Big up Natural Vibes. Big up Jerry Cougar, but tonight you got dead.
Why must that? I know nothing car. Listen it, pussy them a profile wicked. Them say them a gangster, me no business.
I lose some mommy a badness. Quadrant.
Pussy them see.
Listen up, Archer.
The boy them always start to cry. But Chris Diamond wake them up like a tsunami. I wear the blood clot this. Them want fi war me, cold red send for the army. Bullet a spread them like it's in me yard.
All who fire real gun. The man them will fire real gun. You have some gun and now no safety. You want hear a gun with a bus and now no safety.
Should I never test code red?
Now you're dead. Dead.
Here they go there. Watch your gun there.
Them get to it.
Yo, play the fucking rudder. Send them to amazing place. Amazing place. Amazing grace, shot fly to face. The boy them a chase, blade, shoot up them base. Have my guns them in case.
Hold on there. Level. People talk the truth. Level. We night third round. We don't really want Code Red and Natural Vibes. No. Mad Rush. Mad Rush. Jerry Cougar. You see that sound and name Natural Vibes, them nah no vibes. People, Mad Rush crowd, just listen to me now. No make Natural Vibes go this guy. No. Me want war with Mad Rush. Are you time?
And teacher.
Are you me want clash?
Yo, Master Lee. Why pop off and put him back? And I see gun round him get 10 bullets to a ball.
Level.
No carry gun.
Level. A Natural Vibes to get this. Well,
when boy see my gun, it a clapping at them bumbo clot. Clot it. Voila. It's a face no gun big like the island. Good red gun. Put the buy. It's not this code red.
Alright, let me start it. Well, indeed, my friend, me not
joking now. Who know what boring son go final? You mad?
Big
Natural Vibe, park yourself.
No boy not a horse. Well, joy, me have me gun. You know me gun, me not joke, me not play.
fi shot you. From your night come DJ. Anything walk up, somebody
Make a burn some fire in here.
Sound boy, your kingdom is fallen. The sound boy, your kingdom is fallen.
You know why me clash sound we run out of tune, you mad?
Your champagne is fallen.
You want me clash tune sound we play 5 song repeat? Where we play already? You mad?
Well, them turning to court with enough of you take it fun. Them heart I go lost.
Them heart I go down, dagger.
Kelly's life.
See ya.
Put them on the hardy for the this is hard.
Juggle Spectre. Kill sound.
The original killing machine. Hey yo, yellow. Why it's flashing and bashing and dashing.
Free.
Missing code word. Them offend you when them
no, them could have tried.
Give me no excuse when I take all about.
Look into it. Natural vibes them run out of song.
Where them blood clots when they come from? How them pussy, man? From a sound boy for them. So they can go so then. Cause code word them no care. Motherfucker, you should know. Don't push up. Boy.
Juggle.
Like what it's so. Guns out and turn on and people life gone. Man a killer code with them no come here to one. Guns out and turn on all your mother life gone.
Yeah.
This code red in your grave you be man. Believe so you wicked trespass on the farm. Like you want pick one coke and a tarakan. You just sorry you.
Jerry Cougar, are you alone for play this song, you know? Cause you mix and talk like are you alone collect all of the money? The only other selector does they stand up. Are you alone for play this song? But anyway, back to the killing.
Hey yo, Chris Diamond when I take no blood clatter.
Like the crowd there, like the crowd there.
I'm go tired to see we fail.
Like the crowd there.
You go we know in no ways. Them a chat beyond me but that never put them nowhere. Quite thinking about talking front of you. Code red up white right up face to your out harder. The code red up play bounty killer. Them out of them and them a madman now. Code red sound.
Bounty.
Look how long the blood clot was start. Good know we you know we don't need to pop up. This a code red sound, no question, we no hawks.
I said people listen to juggling, you know.
Gun them blast.
Don't tell no lie, don't bias.
We start. Gun in we on, so we don't need to pop off. This a code red sound, we put you back in the past.
Don't bias, you know, people.
Don't fuck
around if you don't mean it.
Don't this code red if you don't mean it. Papa from blue
peel it.
What did it? Fools.
Class Wednesday.
But them love to talk. To one gun, Papa.
We in the streets like tar and white line. But the sun push so what?
What do you think that?
Yo.
Code red, now no change, so we grow, so we grow. We no go below, so we grow, so we grow. Foreign as if you never know. As the tourist board, out code red scheme. We are nobody man, we police and mind. No the pussy, but we know it.
Clash when they big up on yourself, I like the crowd there. We don't could have there anywhere. But you know they are Clash Wednesday. And code red there, I must say. We had the last man standing and me there, so. You understand? So here we go now. All of the money but know you're straight in here. You're not lean. No boy can't mistake if you not girl right now. Bust a blank in here.
Why me say diamond?
Bad man sound.
Nah, fuck nobody.
No.
Girl punani, I'm property.
Me say no boy can't mistake if you're a girl now.
Them say diamond no
watch sound killer.
Cause I'm
Code red.
And him a the real.
Turn up the light to them.
Say to Jah, him never fuck party from him born. But him a gone, you gone. A woman me say
giving you all of them.
Watch yourself a code red. When you hear no song playback. Okay. We are making notes, people. But we don't reach this so yet. Because one more sound needs to play their round in the third rounds. But this war is very interesting, you know. Very interesting. Tingling. Whole Springfield side, you know, people. The whole countryside. Big up on yourself. All right, people. Now. Mad Rush. 4 no third rounds this. And a 15 minutes. So quick and fast. We now waste some time. Because time ago. So people, make some noise, some Mad Rush for the third time around. Take it away.
Mad Rush. No boy can't tell if you hush. No boy can't tell if you hush. No boy can't tell if you hush.
Oh, no good. Everything all right? Shh. Shh. No quiet, no, man. You still around here? I don't come to do much talking. And when I say I don't come to do much talking, the round and name cut short and go through. You say, "Oi, me no business who everybody are talk about re. Who a car bus come here. Any sound who a car bus of people come here, respect. Because without fans, no sound can't bus. Everybody a live on 2 bus, 3 bus, 4 plane, 2 train. Go sit down with that man. Rounds at 3, play a song.
Enough of them are going like them a friend and them a enemy. Act like on a real, you know, a chicken back and call me. Act like you're great, you're fake, you know, no dub plate, you get a piece in your face. You hear me a mad rush sound. Father Lennox, you a bad man. Warlord Saxa, Chiggy, I hear me whistle of people dead. Read him up, in the mouse, I run off them out and I want to see mad rush step up in a life. Father Lennox murder the sound guy and take him daughter and him wife. Yeah, you know Warlord Saxa, man a bad man.
All those sound clash done, he done.
No! Oh, no, that sound like that now, 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 champion.
Red, White Rush. Your father than
Level. Me hear some of our play. See about this one here. See about this one here.
White Rush, it's gonna be smart accident, flower spreading, more up, fly like pigeon in the evening. Oh, White Rush, fine, bad boy. Mama, fire breathe for your son. No.
Well, I know my. Shh. Tapping nice now. Mr. Me hear some Movado playing. Let me tell you something now. Listen. Me know you no cartel Movado competition. People, any artist kill sound. All gospel artists kill sound. You don't believe I true me attack or a lie me I tell. They go play one next Movado. Any boy play this already, you not tell me. You don't hear me say? What me say you don't do? You don't tell me though. They go play one Movado when
no boy can't tell if you hush. No boy can't tell if you hush. No boy can't tell if you hush.
Oh, no, listen. Listen up over there.
Hey, yo, Mad Rush, you done?
Oh, no, listen up over there.
God, God, you know, man. Give me for life, man.
Speed up here.
Hey, yo, Father, you know.
I don't know, yo, Jerry Cooper. Hey, yo, Naldo, yo, Firebox.
Oh, no, listen over there.
Them little chatty, tie little full of beer shit. Shoulda name Bruce Lee to the way you a flip. Pussy I'm gonna know 1 letter in alphabet. Why for yourself, son, boy, you a fish. From me dance.
Hey, my gosh.
Who do I am, Massacre?
Hey, my gosh. Now one side, landslide.
Oh, you see my rush.
Man, no shoot and no score, Steph Curry. Curry for the boots, man, the telly chef, hurry.
All who said that, lights are here. Lights are here.
You think I could dub Mad Rush sound play and the sound that we are.
Oi! Hey! Oh, the clap, natural. Well, video man, no turn on the light. Oh, the clap, natural vibes go home. When the clap them go home. And they dopey them return. They gone back at their tomb now. Gone back over there, so. Oh, the clap code red to the man. We could go to cemetery. Press play.
Man, he's gonna kill them. Down. This is clear.
We got international law.
Out of order to try to disrespect an international sound of this caliber. Mad Rush.
All who say hit this no light and here.
Is in a rush to kill your jumping sound. Your disrespect will fade away.
Mad Rush, kill your sound today.
You know what I mash up in here? You know say mash up in a Jericho. Me not no time of talking to the runner boy.
You are with a silver sound. Yes, one dump plate Mad Rush use and knock them down. My rush is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Yes, he's only in the Father Lennox, but his trust.
Oi, level.
Cantankerous and dangerous.
On the easy level. Level and all. You know I'm a place for my boss money now. Eh? You don't feel like them artists are cheap or a beg. You have to have money in a pocket. No matter how much I do or busy or bunty, none of them not big like that one here. Play.
Yeah, man. Mad Rush International. No sound. Can't give we no problems. No problems. Mad Rush International sound. Keep giving them problems. Mad Rush International sound. Keep giving them
one more boy. One more.
International. Mad Rush is the champion sound.
Who do I hear song?
Hear that?
Hey.
Mad Rush.
Story.
I'm my way out to murder Bill. To murder some sound and make them block them. Murder them. Mad Rush is the champion sound.
Easy. Shh. Level. Me. Now we had power 1 for 1 for kill sound. You believe me? 1 for 1 of a baby. A sound must can play 1 hour out of dub. Half out of dub. 15 out of dub. And kill a sound. We are going with 1 for 1. Make me kill sound for no!
Mad Rush you come fi kill them. But about them dab for dab, but this a shot on the spot. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Mad Rush attack. The prisoners are skanking. They always keep trying. Enough sound disappear, and never know what's the champion sound play.
Hold on. Chris Lyman. A countryman left country, got town, go bad. You never know. Country, man or woman, left country, got town, go bad. Jim Kelly come from one place, them Albion up in Manchester. You ever hear about Jim Kelly? We're going to teach you about country badness now, boy. Anywhere we're going in the world.
Need that someone from town or country. Don't try to taste my sound. No. This a Mad Rush sound. Stand home. You would have come from the Ima, you come from Chopper. Would have come from Firehouse, you come from to what?
Hello? Murder them! Murder!
You must smile in this time. You must smile, and you must mind how you walk and talk. See Father Lennox face can't seem hard, and they must mind how them a run up them out. Warlock socks and get them out, and they must mind what they say or do. Mad Rush them no afraid of you. You must smile in this time.
Look up here. All who are so song for the money. Put your lights out here. Who know I'm a play so song around here? Song boy.
Stand up, da-da-da-da.
You are your song.
Mad Rush so old. Yeah. We kill the sound in the lawn. Kill them swiftly.
Hold on. Now look. People easy. Let me sit down now. You know. Rest my back a little bit. Chris Diamond. Jerry Coogan never tell you about your mother. And the song tell you about your mother, not me. Don't tell you, don't try, don't do that. You know, hear me tell Chris Diamond to suck your mother? No, I never do that. Next thing again, juice, natural vibes. Big woman, come here. Come in and move. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. The one for natural vibes, we call you earlier. Where that say, sitting about my arm. What you saying, say?
What you say again?
He say, when he call and say,
say you say something about my arm, and I smell the arm, either food or shit, me smell.
Isn't that disrespectful? Yeah. How you feel up on a woman? Eh? And I got to tell her, oh, you eat that boy, you know, respect woman. Hold on. The woman come and smell Jericho and say, smell good. Respect that, no man. Respect that. Because you favor cow in a boy. My shop, you know, beard. All I man them love and respect woman. Put your hand in here like so. You're not tell no man or no woman about their mother. And you're not carrying no man name to no woman. Put your hand in here. All who love your mother. See it there.
Now where would I be, Lord? Mother son never sing. Now where would we be without a mama? Mommy, mother rush the love, it is the thing to put above you. No post, not a girl, not a cara. You stand.
But I'm saying, sound about dead. Son boy, I got dead. Mad rush run the whole dance with them. I got dead. Tell them the very first time. Mad rush sound killer jump and pan. Who sent you in no music federation?
Firebags. Make sure you record this in my youth. And the Rasta boy for our country with them freedom. There's so many on pork. I mean like smell bad. I mean on beard. But a Mad Rush me a play tonight. Here ya.
Mad Rush come to murder sound boys all night long. Yeah. From day to day Mad Rush play. We're taking all sound boy life away. All when something pan try say Mad Rush a menace the society. But they don't know what it's like. Why Mad Rush kill sound a day? We murder sound boys all night. Mad Rush are the real killer sound.
Natural vibes. We're going to kill you again. We're going to cuss me tonight, so I call on the name. I clash with you. We have to call one on the name. I'm not idiot. You can't come and clash and go like a juggling. I like girl them love cocky. Wind up on this and that. I kill, we come to kill people tonight. You see that song I'm going to play? Request to all of them man them. And the woman over there. When no one say any boy tell you about your mother or this your mother, dead that are dead.
You are going Manchester, anything just a murder. Mandeville, see them a come there when I run. Cause we are son murderer. Mad Rush son, you are sound killer. Hey boy, cause them a talk about them come to test Mad Rush son. But them a dancehall murderer. Them a talk about
that's all vibes, so don't play everything for the rhythm except them, yeah.
Son killer.
Hold on.
Son boy, you sing about them.
Big on. Big up my Clarendon people in my place. My Clarendon people in my place. Big up on yourself. We don't come from far. We can't play one artist who pass and gone. We come from Clarendon. No, no sound to play this.
Big up Mrs. Pauline.
No boy.
Like the twin tower sound boy keep falling.
No boy.
Christian and me boss me gun till the Christian ya. We kill sound from New York and Paris. Tell Mad Rush sound say them a Chuck Norris. Sound for them in a thump and box and kick. Big 45 and make them left the district, them dead. Kill them all the way from Rome. Tell me about them bad like Sylvester Stallone. Them this Mad Rush, we send them home. Lennox have been sinting them with all and chrome. We see sound a exercise, a train and practice.
Level. You know if you say war done. The war not done till me say done, you know. Come here, man, I talk about the cartel and who are the most this and that. Hey. Shh. They use some simple song and killing sound here. All who say me fi murder them again, put on a lighter that here, let me see.
I said it just ain't over.
Yo,
I said the war ain't over.
All who say me kill them, lighter that here.
The war between Mad Rush and the sound came up.
Hold on.
So the thanks and praises most.
Let me play one money song.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Mad Rush passed it up on the left hand side, passed it up on the right hand side. So now go dead. Whoa, Mad Rush come. Janu. Passed it up on the left hand side, passed it up on the right hand side. So now go dead.
Jesus God. Oi, boy. Not long we not come here to cut no album. We come here to kill sound, and I understand what I say. Chill, we come to kill people. All who say sound for them, come.
Mad rush.
Come.
What a rush.
Well, watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
I can't go things.
All who say sound for them, watch out.
Representing.
Watch
Mad
out.
rush.
Watch out. Speed up, you know.
Impact sound easily. I know about it.
All who say sound for them, watch out.
Must tell you truthfully about Mad Rush. Yes, you've got to know. This a sound big and serious.
One more. One more. Me can't do it. All who enjoy the clash, because one bad word make me here. If you not enjoy the clash, just one Jamaican bad word, because me can't do it. You see that singer? Jet Li, you see that singer? You need him send them home, and then go sleep, and drop her dead. Don't wake up in a boy. You hear, Juice?
Wagwan
ENT. When me done your career. Hold on. Low natural vibes. Don't take code red. Our Christian man, one time when you call for a night and I may call it. Boy, you can't this me. Press play.
Room in I man, I think a bomb buckler compare and boom in head boy. Shut a sound man, no you know. Your madras sound. Darker than last night, you know man, darker than yesterday, you know. Listen to W. Watch a killing you. Room comes. I me sell a coffee light and murder them ras. I me sell a coffee light and murder them fast. Yo, mad rush. Shot code red now.
He's a fire on them, hold on. He's a fire on them.
I me say M1 sound just dead in I dance. We no take talk from sound feel like off. Shot per shot we are putting at them heart. This mad rush out.
You hold on, tap it nice.
With some dub and the whole of them sharp. Code red them a suck pussy hard. M1 me say go on your yard.
Time. The song says turn off the light, but we have to turn it on. Turn on the light for me, please. But hold on, oh people. Hold on. Hold on with the hand. Now this is the last part. I want you to listen keenly now. Listen. All right, people. Again, I want to thank you all for coming out. Next week is the big bad semi-final. Listen now, tapping eyes now. No, listen, you know. Listen. Because at the seriousness part, this is the party right now, the dance. All right, watch out now. First, we're going to get to natural vibes. See it? Natural vibes are going good from night. You don't know that. Bossy place. Do them thing. So you understand? All right. However, listen. However, natural vibes. No go so. I'm going to tell you how much songs play back. Code Red played Massacre in the Med. And Natural Vibes play back that. That's one song. Wait. Shh. Code Red also play Busy Signal, Stay So. Natural Vibes also played back. So, Sizzler, Apology. Mad Rush played that and Natural Vibes come play it back. So remember now, listen now. Remember I know, the only sound who did the palm points was Mad Rush. Them did their two, right? All right, hold on. Natural Vibes, you never did none. So, it's like you're the -3. Stick up in. All right, that's a one. Code Red now. Hold on, all the merciless. We get them. Oh God, a 4 for true. The Merciless. You ever beat that play already? Yeah, that play already. Hold on, no, that play, man. Want to come back and play back still, you see me? So that a 4 song you play back. 4 song on the play back, Natural Vibes. Okay? Fans are so clash go, man. Are so clash go. A music in name. It has nothing to do with the judging or nothing. I just so clash go. Sometimes we are selector, we get ahead of ourselves and forget some song. Anyway, me pause after that. Me don't after that, bad man. Don't after that. Watch this now. Code Red. You know Code Red never depend no points. Play good, bust the crowd. We hear some song, we hear clarity, we hear a bag of thing. But at the end of the day, it's a vote. Code Red did depend none. And Code Red forward in and play back a Movado where Mad Rush play. Chatty. Okay? So, Code Red, listen. Hold on. There. Movado. Okay, the Sizzler. Okay. Oh, so a 3 song, uno play back. A 3, it's not 4. Code Red play back 1. 3 or 4, no matter. You play back 3 song. Okay, put your 3. Just left your 3. So you play back 3, so you're minus 3. Code Red play back 1, so you're minus 1. Listen now. Mad Rush did have 2 points. Mad Rush play back 1, so them lose 1, so them still they are 1. You understand now? So, listen now, Listen now. Natural Vibes not there none. Code Red not there none. So automatically, Mad Rush win the 3 round. That is it. So make some noise for Mad Rush. You understand? You don't understand that? Don't you understand? No, I'm not for debate. I'm not going to debate. We are all big people and don't understand that, don't it? Natural Vibes minus 3. Code Red minus 1. Mad Rush still left on 1. And at the 3rd rounds, we can't go another round. Code Red, on the dash red around the two. Because you see, if Code Red never play back a song, they would either have 1 or minus. So you understand?
Me not lie. The Sizzler, me not go around it. The Sizzler, straight. The Sizzler play back. So, me not lie. Natural Vibes play back about 3 or 4. And the Sizzler. And then, Mad Rush play back the Movado. But you don't know it go. A sportsmanship, we don't cry on them something, we hold it out. You know it go. Straight.
Big up yourself. You see that is a big man. It's a big man thing that. You understand? Yeah, you accept your mistake, accept your defeat. Make some noise for the winner, people. Mad Rush. That we are talking about. And people, listen now, people, listen. Listen now. So Mad Rush, we're going to go on a semi-final, 2nd. Mad Rush, Crazy Dog, Maclock. So look out for the date soon. You understand? So you know a ball game. So people, thanks for coming out. Soon next week at the semi-final. Big up Jam Killer. Big up Cedric's Wholesale and Retail. Big up on yourself.
Lennox, you have to go look so good song for
Yo, Natural Vibes fans, you know what I love you know, I rate you know. But you know, if you accept when time the dog they make mistake. And our fault, brother, I saw it go man. Eh? Hear the man then. Calm yourself, my general. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. People like that. Calm yourself, brother. Oh, calm yourself, brother. Calm yourself, man. Yeah. People like that. Thanks for coming out. You understand?
Wagwan ENT.